ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ? ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Monday or Tuesday we'll take it. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಟೊಮಾರೋನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಮಂಡೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮೇಲೆ. ಮಂಡೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 500 is there, sir. Don't. Yes.
FIR was registered for non-cognizable without taking permission. The police asking copy.
ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಏನು ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
My lords.
Your lordship's petitioner is Jen's middle register ನೋಡೋದು
ಹೌದು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. 2:30 ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ 2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Before 2:30 if you can get the matter listed, no problem, give it.
My lords.
ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ 2:30 ಬೇಕು ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು 2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮೆಮೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
My lords.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
ಮಂಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords.
ನೋ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
My lords.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
My lords, ಇದು ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ my lords, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇವತ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ my lords.
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ, ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
ಕೊಡಿ my lords.
2:30 ಮಂಡೇ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ನೋ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಗಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇನೆ 1-2:30 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, 1:30 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
One matter, for 2:30 minutes. It's a threat of arrest for a government teacher.
ಸೊ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ 2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 2:30 ಬಿಫೋರ್ 2:30 ತರ್ಸೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ತರ್ಸಿ. ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Government teacher.
Petitioners are ready to surrender before the trial court. Just seeking directions.
Surrender for what, sir? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
Seeking regular bail application before the trial court.
Go and seek.
There is a bar under section 15A of CST Atrocity Act.
Oh, that I can't help. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ.
Next week, my lords.
ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಯ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. ಇನ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ನೋ ನೋ, ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡ, ಹೌದ್ ತಾನೆ? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
One submission, my lord.
Why are you this side? Come this side. Come this side.
Unless it is with respect to.
Give all the memos. Sorry. ಏನಾರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ 1:30 ಒಳಗೆ ತರ್ಸೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ತರ್ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, matter is listed. Is the matter listed? Sorry, kodi. Yes.
Unless it is with respect to the restoration of a criminal miscellaneous
Give
action,
it. Give all the memos. You don't have to mention anything. You want to give all the memos.
Your lordship's
Monday nothing. 2:30 no. Monday nothing. Yes.
petitioner is a
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ my lord, ಮಂಡೇ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ, ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು? ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್.
My lord.
ಯಾರದು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? Lower your voice. What date was given? How can you shout to the court? Hold yourself. Yes. Wait. ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೊ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. whoever want it on Tuesday, yes, give it.
Your lordships, on Monday. Petitioner is a senior citizen, your lordships. Her passport has been impounded for over a year now. Dog bite case, your lordships.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Urgency, your lordship.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your lordship, but
No, you give the memo, madam. If you have urgency, move it on Monday.
Lords, the trial court matter is today. After defense evidence, the complainant has been permitted to.
Trial court matter is today for what purpose?
Evidence, my lords, further evidence. of
ಏನ್
the
ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ
complainant
ಕೊಡಿ.
After the defendant's evidence.
ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
It's all old documents.
No problem. Monday or Tuesday, if you want it on Tuesday, move it on Monday.
Can I just try before 1:30? my lords?
Try before 1:30, give it, yes.
my lords, Session Court has given the anticipatory bail, but imposed a condition
FR
of,
ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
condition of surrendering the passport.
Petitioner is the
The
head constable.
petitioner
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
has,
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
petitioner has to go to the police station for compliance within Tuesday's mile.
What to do?
We are
Relaxation
seeking
of conditions, ಕೊಡಿ.
modification of bail condition. It may be listed
Memo
on
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ.
Monday.
It won't be listed on Monday. Monday don't ask any matter.
Petitioner is the head constable and by the professional misconduct of his superior officer, he has been alleged.
No problem, good.
My lord, I'm a student, my lord's pendency of criminal case is preventing me from pursuing studies abroad.
Next week ಅದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lords, petitioner is married for after 25 years.
ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 25 years.
No, sorry, petitioner married for 25 years and wife now filed the 498A.
No problem, give it, yes.
My-
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2:30 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
My lords,
ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೊ ನಿಮ್ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾ
My
ಕೊಡಿ.
lord, complaint has been filed, my lord, against the in-laws who are the petitioner, my lords. They are all
Give
citizens.
off the memos, madam. Don't have to make a mention. If you want to give the memo.
My lord's petitioner is unable to renew his passports, my lord, there is a stay operating, my lords.
No problem, give it, madam.
My lords, wrong documents have been.
No
marked.
problem. Monday, it is full, no cases for Monday. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord's petitioner.
For whatever it is, Monday. Anything, yes. Monday, nothing, 2:30, nothing. No, sir, 2:30 is a bench. I'm not sitting. Before 1:30, if you want, give urgency. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು urgency ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, anything else? No, nothing. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥ.
My lords.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೆಮೊ. ನೋ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನೋ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೆಮೊನ? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, 7A matter.
No, yes, call the cases.
Trial started.
No date, sir, please.
My
No
lord,
date.
7A matter.
No date. Being spoken to the Kodi.
But date was given today, my lord, for Monday, my lord.
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಡೇಟ್?
The Sun court, my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ? ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ?
Film, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
It was posted on 2:30 matter on Wednesday, my lord.
ಹಾ,
Subject to today, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you need not shout.
I apologize.
Once more if you do this,
I apologize, my lord.
yes. ಕೊಡಿ.
Trial started.
2:30 ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lord, 7A matter.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2:30 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1:30 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕದು. ಎಸ್.
My lord, 7A matter.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? No, don't move memo for Tuesday at all now.
My lord.
Memo ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. If you want to give the memo. I'm not giving a date. Yes, I'm not giving a date period. How many times should I tell you? If you want parties settlement, Monday ಮಾಡ.
My lord, 7A matter.
Monday ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, 7A matters.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮೆಮೊ. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೋ ಡೇಟ್.
My lord, 7A matter ಇವತ್ತು.
ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
For withdrawal, my lords, for listed matters, list to ceremony 60.
ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ. ಎಸ್.
Listed today, my lord.
Maybe sir, no problem. Yes.
My lord,
Next.
My
Call
lord,
ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೆಮೊ ಇಲ್ಲ. Call the case.
7A matter.
ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇರ್ಲಿ,
7A matter.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಮಂಡೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮಂಡೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸರ್, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. 500 ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಮೀ? ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಬಿಡಿ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಮೊ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಮೆಮೊ. ಎಸ್
My lord, 7 matter.
ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಂಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್. ಎಸ್
My lord, 7 matter.
ನೋ ಸರ್, ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ಅವಾಗಿನ 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord, ಇವತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ? ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್. ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಯಾವ ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್?
List number 229.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್.
List 1, seal number 1, fresh matter.
Seal number 1, my lord, CK pass or my lord, SPP will be appearing in this matter.
Here for petitioner this one.
What's the matter, sir?
This matter my lords related, notes the voter list my lords, the names from voter list ought to be deleted by my lords some false applications. The allegations against me my lords and presumption that I am a beneficiary under it. My lords, there is accept my lords a co-accused statement. There's nothing on my lords has been recovered or placed anything material my lords. In fact, my lord, 22,000 pages is a charge sheet, my lords. We applied my lord certified copy. We have got only my lord relevant portion of charge sheet.
You want me to interfere in 482?
My lords, that absolutely no my lords material.
22,000 pages charge sheet and
But
absolutely
that is
no
all my
material.
lords, only voters list and all that my lord. That is nothing related to my lord this petitioner is concerned. The 18th is my lord scheduled for my lord the framing of charges my lord.
Let it be, sir.
My lord said,
The learned,
my lord, I praise my lord some
the
statement.
additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent state. The SPP is directed to appear in the matter, list the matter on 28th. Yes.
Still my lords not to.
No,
Still my lords charge my lords it's
28th,
posted for charge till not.
no,
till
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
28th,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ?
my lords matter my lords.
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ?
Format 9 also my lord they have included my lord.
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್
where it
ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ
does not-
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
My lords, matter, my lords, absolutely no material.
No,
my lords. I'll point it.
yes.
In fact, my lords, cognizance is taken on presumption that my voluntary statement, there's nothing in the record,
No
my lords, on my
problem.
voluntary statement. my lords.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? 28th ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್
This is matter, my lords.
ಆನ್ 28th.
Not,
yes.
at least not to frame charge on 20,
Not
18th, my lords.
ಏನ್
Any
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
date
ಸರ್.
after 28, it might be placed,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್
my lords.
ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? Before see, after filing of the petition, if charge is framed, I will entertain any petition. Before it is, I will not. Yes.
Number 2,
Lords, I may be permitted to place, my lords, some more statements, my lord, which are photocopies, my lord, because we have not received.
So the
certificate
more
copies.
the statements you file, the more the guarantee that it would go back, because it's seriously disputed questions of fact. Yes,
Dispensation, my lords, I have filed an appeal.
sorry,
Dispensation of certified copies, I have filed an.
charge sheet da.
Charge sheet.
ಅವತ್ತೇ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Please.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes, next.
14 and 15 lord were the petitions before lordships. A1 to 6 has been quashed by your lordships. I produced the
Sir,
judgment.
on Prasanna Kumar,
Please,
Learned Counsel P. Prasanna Kumar is directed to, ಅವರೇ ತಾನೇ appear ಆಗಿದ್ದು?
please.
P. Prasanna Kumar is directed to accept notice for the respondent, registry to print the name of, ಇದು ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಈಗಲೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. List the matter on 28th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Meantime, then we stay of proceedings.
In the light of the issue standing completely covered by the judgment rendered qua the co-accused, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner to the next date of hearing.
Please.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. 28th fresh matters.
Lordship, matter wherein we are not aggrieved by the order, since the order of the learned judge is favorable to the extent that prima facie a case is made out. But the operative portion of the order, the learned judge goes on the fact that you would have to proceed under 223. Your Lordship, in this 175(3) is what the learned judge should have proceeded on. The learned judge
It's
is of
a Prevention of Corruption Act matter,
PC Act, so-
13(1)A. How can he go into it when Lokayukta is there?
Please, not just that, Your Lordship. The learned judge has correctly held that prima facie case is made out. The learned judge has also correctly held that under 175(3) the case is made out. But learned judge is of the opinion that the affidavit that we have filed is not in terms of 175(3) as per the judgment of Unknown versus Kerala of the Supreme Court. And therefore, the learned judge is trying to find an alternative.
Oh, he is ordered for an inquiry on 223.
Please.
That's not even permissible.
So, Your Lordship, here, all I am seeking is, I do not want the order reversed in any manner in view of the fact that the order is definitely in our favor. The correction, Your Lordship, that would be required is that the affidavit that I am required to give under 175(3), the learned judge has erroneously held that I should have followed the dictum of the Honorable Supreme Court.
The Om Prakash case.
Not Om Prakash. This
Then?
is that Unknown versus Kerala, Your Lordship.
Ah,
That citation, Your Lordship, in that, Your Lordship may kindly see the page 40. Page 40, the impugned order.
one moment, madam.
Citation also is okay. Yeah. In the citation, Your Lordship, it would be at page 86.
It's, no problem. Yes, madam.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, might I read page 91? 175(4), and then it goes on the aspect of
No, that stage comes later, madam.
precisely, Your Lordship.
That stage comes later. It does not come now.
Your Lordship,
The court appears to have misdirected itself.
yes, 333 comes under
No,
chapter 25, which is evidence and inquiry stage.
It is
Please,
later.
please.
You cannot go into the veracity of the affidavit
Please.
now.
The other aspect, for a minute, even if we are to take that I was to follow Supreme Court judgment, Your Lordship, the judgment is to 2026, whereas my complaint, Your Lordship, is 2025. So
Old complaint.
I have followed Lalita Kumari, what the provisions and what has been incorporated in 175(3), and there is a provision there itself for an affidavit, which follows again 173. Therefore, the question of
No,
me
that
filing.
it requires a correction to that extent.
That is all, Your Lordship. A minor correction is required. And Your Lordship, with respect to the merits of the matter, Your Lordship, this is a case where BDA 2 acres has been allotted in Banshankari
To whom?
to Siddharth. They claiming incorrectly and
Who is that Siddhartha Trust?
Your Lordship, the Kharge family, Your Lordship.
Oh, it's against them, is it?
Yes, please. In this, 2 acres is allotted in Banshankari under the guise that this trust is an SC trust. Your Lordship, this is not an SC trust at all. The trust itself says that it is for all castes and for all members of society. And therefore,
No, 2 acres is allotted on that ground.
on that ground specifically that it is an SC trust. Then, Your Lordship, it goes further. Then they seek 50% concession saying we are an SC trust. And 50% concession is given within 10 days, which is not permissible because the application was much before the amendment to the rule where 50% was given. Thirdly, Your Lordship, they come up with stating, give us an alternative site because in Banshankari, it's the hilly terrain. And then within 10 days, an alternative 2 acres is found in BTM and it is given to them. Where there is no provision in BDA to give an alternative at all. So therefore, Your Lordship, it is on various levels the fraud has been played. And that the
Anyway,
learned,
that's a matter of investigation.
Please,
This ought
and
to
the
have been
learned-
sent there. Where is the inquiry in
please,
such
and the
things by the
learned judge is
court?
convinced on that aspect. The only incorrect the observation is under 223 in when Lokayukta is
And the
there.
respondents at this stage have no
At this
right
stage,
to,
no,
no
that
right
is
to
why
be
I've
heard.
also sought for.
Sorry,
Please,
it's not.
please.
But the respondent, the Lokayukta state,
Please.
you serve on him.
Yes, sir.
Served already?
Please.
You serve on someone. I'll take it on Monday or Tuesday.
Tuesday, Your Lordship.
What's the next date given there?
28th, Your Lordship.
28th. So before that, we will decide this and send it back.
Please, Tuesday, Your Lordship.
The Senior counsel, Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar, appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner, learned senior counsel submits, though the order is challenged, but the challenge should be restricted to the operative portion of the order. The learned judge, the learned senior counsel submits that the learned has the concerned court has misdirected itself in ordering an inquiry under 223 of the BNSS, while the entire order reflects upon investigation to be handed over to the Lokayukta as obtaining under section 175(3) of the BNSS. This is on the score that an affidavit narrating the illegalities are not filed. The learned senior
It's
counsel.
filed, Your Lordship.
No,
He says it's
that's
not in
what-
terms of, please.
Illegalities are not filed in terms of the judgment of the apex court in the case of X
Unknown
versus
versus
Kerala. Yes, so and so. The learned senior counsel submits that stage would arise at a later point in time, but that cannot scuttle or stifle the investigation sought in the case at hand. The learned senior counsel submits that the accused have played systematic fraud at all levels in projecting a trust to be formed in the name and style of Siddhartha Vihar Trust as belonging to the scheduled caste. The trust itself is created for every caste and not for scheduled caste. And on that score, the allotment is made, and the alternate allotment is also made in BTM layout on the score that the trust of the land allotted to the trust is in a hilly area of Banishankari. Therefore, the learned senior counsel projects systematic fraud, which ought to have been directed to be investigated into the Lokayukta, by the Lokayukta. The learned senior counsel submits that the entire order reflects on an investigation, reflects on necessity of an investigation and but the operative portion says it is for an inquiry under 223 by the court itself. Therefore, court itself, in that light, the the court is of the prima facie view that the order requires correction to that effect. The learned counsel, Lokayukta,
Lokayukta, whom you serve.
Arbatti, Venkatesh Arbatti is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. Though the other accused are made respondents, hearing the accused at this stage, even before anything could happen, is not warranted. In that light, the notice to the other accused is not issued for the present.
We have filed a dispense.
This lists the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
No, again, we'll take it. Obliged.
Yes.
Number 4.
Petitioner Minoda is 84 years. Complainant Minoda is also his friend, aged about 85 years. Charge sheet of the year 2019 against son-in-law of the petitioner, alleging not that 109 members were added to the list of
319 application.
319 only. Just one word says in the page 99.
Heard the learned counsel P. Prasanna Kumar appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner, who was dropped from the array of accused while filing the charge sheet, is now back into the dragnet of crime on an application filed under section 319 of the CRPC being allowed. The learned counsel would take this court through the order which directs bringing back the petitioner and the reason so rendered. A perusal at the order or the reasons is a stray sentence by a witness during the trial has brought back the petitioner. This is not the purport of section 319. Orders cannot be passed on assumptions at the stage of 319, as the apex court holds that the evidence should be much higher than what was available at the stage of investigation to bring back a person into the dragnet of crime under section 319 of the CRPC.
Please.
I failed to find the said substance in the order, albeit prima facie. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of the impugned order. It is made clear that the proceedings before the concerned court are not stayed, they must proceed.
Please.
Yes.
5.
For petition, my lords. 351, 353, clause 1, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ sir?
Private complaint initiated, my lord, by third person, my lord. And the petitioners are, my lord, they are fighting against the land grabbing case, my lord. And to obtain the necessary permission to make a protest, my lord, the false case is initiated against these petitioners.
The meantime. Yes, next.
Much.
Orders. Bill number 6.
Memo for retirement.
Your Lordship, this is the matter wherein B report has been filed and we've challenged.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು?
This is the matter wherein your Lordship had gone into it extensively. This is the matter with respect to the Muda matter, your
Oh,
Lordship.
former CM.
Please, former CM Muda matter.
All right.
This is a matter wherein your Lordship, a 10,000 page B report, which contains practically nothing. And that has been accepted. And your Lordship, since it's extensive, your Lordship, only the extracts have been put in and your Lordship may permit us to give it by way of a pen drive, your
So is
Lordship.
there a bar to not, page-wise bar to accept or reject?
Not at all, but 10,000 pages of a practically inconclusive and your Lordship, none of it could even be material enough to accept it. And it's practically a mini trial that has been conducted. At this stage, that was not required and nor are the findings reasoned enough, your Lordship, to accept a B report at this stage.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮೆಮೊ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದು?
Sir, that is Madhukar Deshpande.
ಮಧುಕ್ ನೀವಾ?
Madhukar Deshpande. I'm instructed to appear in this matter for R7.
ಅರ್ಬಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very well.
ಅದು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Please, I shall.
I posted it for Tuesday. Still number 3 na? 3. Yes.
Your Lordship, sir.
This matter I undertake to appear for R5.
ಈಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಏನೇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Aditya Narayan for R5.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅರ್ಬಟಿ ಫಾರ್ R1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Registry to delete the name of Madhukar Deshpande as appearing for the second respondent and print the name of Madhu and Rao.
Respondent number 7.
2 ಅಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
That is Enforcement Directorate, respondent number 7.
7. Accused, ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಗೆ CM ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. Learned Counsel Satabhish Shivan, Madhukar, registry to delete the name of Madhukar Deshpande as appearing for the second respondent. And print the, print ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ R3, you will take? ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೆ? ಯಾರು? ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ರವಿವರ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ರವಿವರ್ಮ for Ravirma Kumar for R3. Devraju?
My lord, I filed wakalat.
R5.
I will.
Aditya Narayan for R5. Amale R6.
R6, I don't know.
They are all served. I need not wait. They are all served anyway. R7, Madhu and Rao.
R6 we have not filed B report. Only A1 to A4 we have filed B report.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ?
Your Lordship, then office objections.
Yes. R5, R6 B report ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
They have to find somebody to place it on, your Lordship. Therefore,
R6 is Dinesh Kumar, sir.
Yes, not filed.
Not R5 is Devraju.
R5 Devraju we have filed.
I believe there's a B report.
All right. So you're appearing for him.
I'm appearing.
Dinesh Kumar is served. Don't worry. This is not the order against him at all. So R3 ಆಯ್ತು. R5 R5 ಆಯ್ತು. R6 served under, no, don't worry. R7 Madhu and Rao. Thus completes the service of notice. The memo for retirement filed by Madhukar Deshpande stands accepted. Yes.
your Lordship may permit us to file the pen drive
Pen drive?
for the entire 10,000 pages of the B report, your
That's
Lordship.
better instead of
Please.
filing everything.
Please, I shall serve the copy
The petitioner
also of
is at liberty to electronically place the B report, which is said to run into 10,000. The B report is not 10,000 pages. B report is 10,000 pages, sir.
the report submitted before the court to accept that B
That's
report
okay.
is.
The head of charge sheet is, head of final report is about 78 pages. Thereafter, not their volumes of documents is what learned senior is.
That
But
is
head
part
that
of
is
the
up,
entire,
so
that
that's
is part
okay.
of the entire, based on which each heading the learned judge has gone
8
on.
volumes of final report.
Anyway, let's see. Yes, the learned senior counsel seeks leave of this court to place the entire charge sheet material by way of a pen drive. In the light of its volume, it is the counsel is permitted to place it by way of a pen drive, which would be in the electronic form.
Might I request that it be called for also the records if they arrive, your Lordship, that would also.
From the Lokayukta?
Your Lordship,
From the court?
From the court.
Anyway, you will file it. That also will direct.
Please.
The registry is directed to secure the records from the concerned court by way of telephonic instructions. They list this matter on, when do you, 20th?
Please, Your Lordship.
List the matter on 20th.
Obliged.
20th, I have some difficulty. Could it be the next week?
We have to file our.
We'll have to file our objection.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
In fact, in ED Lordship, we have also filed,
Yes. List the matter on 24th. Objections, if any, by the respondent by then.
Please.
Yes.
So we have filed one criminal revision petition also
Revision petition, who?
against the protest petition with B report. We have filed it, that is in 598 of 2026. I'll take instructions on that whether.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ, it is accepted ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ?
I mean, challenge.
Revision ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Yes, sir.
All right, yes.
But could it be first week of September?
No, sir, can't be.
Even have a.
Can't be at all.
But
Can't
we
be
have
at
an
all.
opportunity to go
No,
through
we will file it, sir. Objection ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೇನಂತೆ, yes.
Very good.
Obliged.
7.
Your Lordship, similar to serial number 3, the very same dates, it has been filed, the similar order, where under 223, the learned judge is gone, but it is again the very same party, wherein the very same trust has sought
ಅಲ್ಲ,
to
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
get.
ಏನು?
Idhralli,
Same order,
Your Lordship, same order,
Then
but
we'll-
the facts are that in KADB allotted for aerospace land, 5 acres was granted to this trust.
Same trust.
The SC category.
Same
Please,
trust.
Please. And they have no knowledge in aerospace, no role in aerospace, but there are several other irregularities in the applications, in fraudulently claiming under the category, and also allotment of 5 acres. In this, however, of course, during the Muda scam, they sought to return it so that they would not get into any further. But of course, Honorable Supreme Court has said that despite return of the amount, that would not absolve one
That
of the
we'll see,
liability.
yes.
But it is on the technicality
Anyway,
of correction, Your
no,
Lordship.
this is not, again, correction order.
Please, that's.
Learned Counsel Venkatesh Arbatti is directed to accept notice for the first respondent.
We've served Mr. Arbatti, Your Lordship.
Sir, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Counsel,
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿದೆ.
all right. Counsel for the petitioner to serve on the counsel, requisite set of papers, if not already served. The, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. The facts obtaining, the legal snag that is projected in the case at hand is akin to what is ordered in criminal petition 12406 of 2026. The facts vary. Therefore, since the issue is at the stage of the purported correction of the legal snag, the facts need not be narrated all over again in the case at hand, as they are a rehash of the facts in criminal petition 12406 of 2026.
No, absolutely.
No,
That is.
allotment,
Please.
where the alleged fraud played in allotment.
Please.
Yes, that's all. List the matter, ಅವತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಅವತ್ತೇ.
Tuesday, Your Lordship. Obliged.
9. Sorry, 8.
Appear for petition, pray for 2 weeks.
ಏನಿದು?
It's the same matter where your lordship told the application would be.
Yeah, what is this?
The matter where the sitting MLA passed derogatory remarks.
Oh,
The DRA
yes.
matter.
All right.
The address.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Understood.
Why do you want time?
My lord, senior is engaged.
We'll give you time to last 28th ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ I won't grant time.
August.
Yes. Next.
Interim order.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Obliged.
Next date. Yes, next.
Number 9.
For petition, my lord. This application for recalling the order for restoration of the petition.
ಗೊತ್ತು. ಏನ್ recalling the order?
Lord, the petition is dismissed for non-prosecution. Lord. On
ಇದಾ?
House
16/10/25.
25.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದು?
16/10/25 dismissed for default again.
Non-prosecution.
House. What has happened, my lord? Originally the petition is filed before the Dharwad
The
bench, my lord.
coordinate bench of this court had dismissed the petition for its non-prosecution. The petitioner has preferred an application seeking its recall. The affidavit for the reasons so and so. It's okay.
Interim order maybe.
Recalled. Interim order, if any subsisting as on the date of its dismissal shall stand restored.
Number 10.
Not connected matters. Notice has
ಯಾವತ್ತೋ
been.
ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Notice ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ?
10, 11, 12, please.
ಕೊಡಿ. Notice.
10, 11, 12, 3 matters. Great.
Cancellation of bail,
Discharge application.
Discharge.
List number 2.
Being spoken to, yake?
Being spoken to, fill number 1.
What's being spoken to?
Lordship.
Who has moved it for being spoken to? You moved it?
I moved.
What's the reason?
This is a clarification. Lordship, this is regarding the clarification I moved. With regard to the adjudication of inquiry, Lordship, under 340 CRPC, Lordship.
What is the problem with the order?
I have filed the IA for perjury on 15th June 2026.
Where? Here. Yes, perjury for what? What false? What order have I granted now? I only set the court to do it in accordance with law. I have disposed the petition saying you have no right to come here at a pre-cognizant stage.
But the
falsehood? Falsehood, if the court takes cognizance, does not take cognizance, your falsehood will take note of, not at this stage.
It's a separate offense, Lordship, on this honorable court.
Yes, if I have accepted something of theirs and passed an order.
Yes.
Yeah, what order I have passed?
Stay order has been passed.
Stay order?
Yes, sir.
Which stay order?
On 17th 4th 2026.
So what? I have dismissed it anyway afterwards. You have no say now. And don't indulge in all this. You go before the concerned court and do anything. This court on 17/4/2026 had granted an ex parte interim order in the case at hand. Later, on 27 July 2026, noticing the fact that the petitioner was before this court at a pre-cognizant stage and no order had been passed by the concerned court affecting rights of any of the parties, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the doors of this court all over again, the had been dismissed. The respondent complainant has now moved a memo being spoken to on the score that interim order is sought by suppressing material facts and it amounts to perjury. The submission is noted only to be rejected on the score that this court has not accepted the petition for the complainant to complain of perjury and it falsehood being taken benefit of by the petitioner. In that light, reserving liberty to the petitioner to urge all these contentions in appropriate proceeding at an appropriate stage before the appropriate fora.
If the complaint is held to be maintainable.
Next.
If the complaint is to be made, 226 says the magistrate must see a privacy case.
Sir, don't worry. What order I have passed in your favor? Nothing. That's why I said yesterday, when you moved the matter, I have never seen you party in person. I can't miss like that. So you did not appear.
A substantial relief has been obtained by.
More relief, sir. You urge everything there. When the court takes cognizance against them, come here. Or doesn't take, come here. Okay. Yes.
My lord, in this case, I am appear for petitioner, my lord. Last page of the order, my lord.
The lordship may make that observation, my lord.
What observation, sir?
That only if the cognizance is taken, all these contentions can be raised.
No, adanne heliradu, sir. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
My lord, last page of the order, the crime number and CC number is different than my.
Adena.
Yes, the charge sheet is not filed.
CC number happy.
Crime stage.
Crime stage.
Number 3.
Typographical error in last operative portion the proceedings is quashed and challenge was that the order dated 9/10/2025 was challenged.
Adu matra
question. Yes. Entire proceedings.
Great. Memo ಹೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಮೋಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Number 4.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಗೌಡ್ರದೇನು?
Seal number 4. Manjunath Gaur.
Next Friday ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Next Thursday being spoken to. Yes, next. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್.
Yes, please.
ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, my lord. Offense alleged is 406 and 420.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
Last occasion heard my lord and posted the.
The matter, the previous matter, the matter is deliberately moved for being spoken to. List after 8 weeks.
So this is not.
Yes, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, previous matter.
Yes, my lord. 406 and 420. my lord.
Fresh matter, seal number 5.
My lord, allegation is that, my lord, the complainant and the accused have invested their money into the business. And subsequently, my lord, some of the payments have been made and repayments have also been made. The dispute is with regard to only cash transaction. That too particularly during the period of demonetization period, he alleged to have paid the cash. My lord, anyhow, my lord, the fact of the matter is that, my lord, it is purely civil in nature. My lord, earlier to this, my lord, 6 months earlier to filing of the complaint by the complainant, I have filed a complaint against him under Karnataka Money Lenders Act and.
I'm ready, my lord. I filed my objections. In fact, my lord, last occasion, my lord heard and lord said that today he will pass it on. However, my lord, I will try to assist. My lord, what had happened, my lord? The petitioner 1 and 2, and my lord, the respondent number 2, my lord, they're from the same village. Petitioner number 2, she's working, my lord, in a bank as a manager. Petitioner number 1 and 2, my lord, lured the, my lord, the respondent number 2, saying that, my lord, in an auction property, you can invest it and you will make some, my lord, that is some, my lord, undertake, my lord, between, my lord, the petitioner and respondent number 2. My lord, the complaint which is relying by my friend, my lord, kindly see, my lord, page number, my lord, 126. In fact, my lord, their entire case is saying that I filed a complaint before my complaint. So, my lord, I'll just read, my lord, 127, 126 minutes ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸುವ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅದು.
ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Not only me, my lord, there are, my lord, kindly come to page number 128. There are, my lord, there are 12 other people. This entire complaint saying that, my lord, they are not disputing that taking the money from other people. They are saying that they are threatening me. He admitted, my lord, in respect of taking the money. But in addition to that, my lord, both the court held that, my lord, the it's, my lord, I just read, my lord, the order.
ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Intermatter ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಡೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, my lord.
Regarding framing of.
Oh, the concerned court framing of charges.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My submission is, my lord, even as it is, the entire facts is accepted as it is. My lord, whatever the payment that has been made by him is 32 lakhs. That we have repaid it. But only dispute is with regard to cash transaction, my lord. That too particularly in the demonetization period, he alleged to have paid the amount. Anyhow, that's a matter for civil dispute, my lord. Now, my lord, so far as 138 proceedings also has initiated. Now, my lord, against him, I have initiated the proceeding 6 months earlier to his filing of the
ಅದು ನಡೀಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
as a counter blast.
ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
That has already
ಅದು ನಡೀಲಿ
been,
ಬಿಡಿ.
charge sheet has already been.
ಅದು ನಡೀಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
That shows that, my lord, they were extracting the.
That's all right. It's disputed question of facts.
Yes,
Let
my
it go
lord.
on.
Now question is 406 and 420, my lord. My lord, it is his case that he has invested the money along with the accused. My lord, Swaminathan's case is directly applicable. So also Ganeshan's judgment is also applicable. My lord, there is no ingredients of 406 and 420. My lord, if there is a inception, from the inception, there should be a deception. But here is a case where we have made the payments. Whatever the payment that have been made by him, we have repaid the entire amount. The only dispute is with regard to cash without there
No,
being any
Money Lenders Act ಇದೆ, KPID ಇದೆ.
that we have filed it. We have filed it.
ಏನ್ we have filed?
Yes,
ನಿಮ್ಮ
my
ಮೇಲೆ
lord,
ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
No. We have filed.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಕೇಸು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು, ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳು 10 ತಿಂಗಳು.
406 420.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
That you will also kindly see at page number PCR 156. After 6 months from my filing my complaint, they have filed the complaint. Money Lenders Act and the Exorbitant Interest Act.
ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿರೋದಾ ಇದು?
ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ 301 of 2017 ಯಾರ್ದು?
ಅದು ನಮ್ದು. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅದು ಜೂನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. After 6 months they have filed one more complaint.
ಈಗ
as a counter plan.
ನೀವು 6 months ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 18 months ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇರಿ 6 months ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು.
Yes, please.
Yes.
So my submission is, my lord, if the PCR may kindly be seen for a while, my lord.
ಈಗ
156.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. This crime is 13/6/2017.
That is filed by us. That may.
PCR ಯಾವತ್ತು?
PCR in the month of 9/11/2017.
Page 138.
Namdu June 2017, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 11/2017.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 138 ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅವರು they have initiated.
ಅದೇನ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
That is under trial.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ರಫೀರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Also.
ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir, let him not make false allegations, my lord. We are representing the case and we are attending the case. My lord, with regard to these, my lord, if the PCR may kindly be seen for a while, my lord, 158, 156 page. Their case itself is that it's an investment.
156
It is their PCR.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ 156 ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Para 5, Swami. Para 5. Further states that on one such occasion, the accused one along with his wife Deepa, who has been alleged as accused number 2, who is an employee at Indian Bank Rajajinagar branch, approached the complainant in the month of May 2016 and stating that they have got a good opportunity as they were wanting to invest.
Prakash, one minute.
It starts from para 4 as well, my lord.
They wanted to invest on
Yes,
auction properties and the cheaper cost and the best offer to them.
Throughout the complaint, that is the case. In para 6, and they say that certain amount has been
ಈಗ
paid.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ?
Yes, please.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವೇರ್ ಡು ಐ ಗೆಟ್?
Yes, my lord. From the charge sheet itself, whatever the bank
Page,
statement.
page.
Yes, my lord. That could be seen. Yes, my lord.
Page.
Starts from 37, my lord. 37.
30?
37 page, internal page number 37. Entire bank statement are produced.
ಯಾವ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪೇಜ್?
Page number
37, annexure C.
35.
37.
35.
Annexure C.
ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಇದು
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತನಾ?
Yes, please.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ?
32 lakhs and we have paid the entire amount.
32 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Everything is pi to pi.
P to P?
Pi to pi.
ಅದೇ.
Yes, please.
ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೆ.
Statement of CW 4 to 6. Let's say they speak about the transaction between these two.
4 to 6.
Let's say there are 10 and 11, the order of the session judge. The 11th session judge makes a statement, depends upon the statement of CW 4 to 6. That says that there are allegations against these petitioners and therefore this cannot be discharged, cannot be at this stage. And both.
This is, my lord, kindly come to page number 35. And initially they filed a discharge. I just read, my lord, it is not so, my lord, what my friend is, my lord. Complaint on various dates, including rupees 1 lakh, was paid by the, I'm just reading, my lord, page number 35. That's what, my lord, called out in, my lord, what charge.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, it's not came, my lord, that's what charge sheet held. My lord, I'll just read it, my lord, give me 1 minute, my lord. By the accused to one Atmaram, who is the cousin brother of the complaint, it is specifically contained that.
ಚೆಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗೆ?
1 crore 80 lakh ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಚೆಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆಕ್ 1 crore ಗೆ.
1 crore ಯಾಕೆ?
1 crore 45 lakhs, that is their case. That
1 crore ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ?
ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, that they have filed a case.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yes, that is the case is going on. My submission is that they only admitted in the PCR about the repayment that has been made by me.
ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
Yes, please.
ಜಲ್ದಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, please. Para 6, my lord. The complainant submits that starting from so and so, 1 crore for their investment, out of which part of the payment in form of cash and for so and so. And yes, please. Part of the payment has been made on the.
PA ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
Yes, please.
The magistrate, my lord, held
for an
charge
amount
application
of
filed at page number 35.
Even in the charge sheet itself, they have said it.
Page
In the charge sheet itself, may I request your lordship.
ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 4 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಫುಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
230 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 230. 230.
ಪೇಜ್
230, page number.
Charge sheet.
Yes.
406, 420. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅದೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 406, 420 will go.
Maybe one my lord.
ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು my lord. I'll just point out. The modus operandi of my lord petitioner and petition number 2, husband wife. Wife is working in a bank. My lord, it's a proper not only with me. Kindly see their own complaint. My lord, I'll just point out my lord once again. Not only me, there are 30. My lord, what had happened? My lord, basically they're all from one village. My lord, they allude saying that my lord, you invested because he's working in some my lord, some as a HR manager in some company. And my lord, he invested. My lord, not only me, are taking money from others. My lord, that's what my lord. I'll just point out.
Which others have complaints?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಇದೆ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Which others have complaint?
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. my lord, kindly see their ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. I'll just point out my lord their
complaint. ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅದು ನಡಿಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ನಡಿಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ where their filed a complaint, my lord, I'm appear, I'm not filing a discharge application, I'm fully supporting. In my complaint, not even once they appeared. They every time my lord they're filing my lord this kind of application. I'll just point out their complaint.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ will finish it off. Let them not appear at all.
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, I'll just point out my lord for a moment my lord their complaint as well as my lord the what court immediate below held. I'll just point out my lord, kindly come to page number 126 for a moment where that complaint they're relying saying that before 6 months they filed a complaint. I'll just read for a moment. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುವ ವಿಳಾಸದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವೃದ್ಧ ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ my lord, what my lord the petitioner case it is. ನನಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುವ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಿ, ರೋಷನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಬಸವನಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಧನಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಹರೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಕರುಣಾಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಉತ್ಪಲ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ my lord ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಸುಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಎಂಬುವರು ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಿತರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಕಳೆದ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದ್ದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ my lord I am reading. ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾಲದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 3 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದು ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 7.50 ಬಡ್ಡಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿರುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಅದು ಯಾರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
ಇದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐ have to pay the money. In addition to not only this, they are coming and my lord threatening. That is their complaint. That's what my lord, what my friend is saying that my lord before that only I filed a complaint. My lord, now my lord kindly see the order passed by the court immediate below. Page number.
Coordinate bench.
ಅಲ್ಲ court immediate below. Lower court my lord. At page number my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ discharge reject ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀಸನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. At page number 35. Paragraph number 12 and 13. In the charge sheet is stated, paragraph 12 I am reading. In the charge sheet stated that accused to have paid some of rupees so and so out of the profit in the business and cheated the complainant to repay 1 crore 10 lakh and also committed the criminal breach of trust. According to the accused, the complainant has given rupees so and so 32 lakh 71,000. The accused number 1 to the bank and accused number 1 so and so 33 lakh to the complainant on various dates including 1 lakh rupees was paid. The Atmaram, who is a cousin brother of the complainant, is still contended that on the complainant 50,000 was paid on rupees so and so. And 50,000 was paid on the accused through his friend Tilak Hegde to the complainant through this bank account on dated so and so, the Kotak Mahindra so and so, the complainant bank account number so and so, Karnataka Bank Limited.
I will hear it on 29th. Your time waste.
In fact, my lord, both court.
Stay there. List on 29th.
Matter may kindly.
That will continue. Next.
Number 6.
7A, successful trap, synopsis and statement of objects.
ಎಲ್ಲದು synopsis ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Synopsis
seal number 6
ಹೌದು. Copies are
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. We'll take it on 27th. List on 27th. All these matters at 2:30 PM 27th.
Synopsis also filed. Objection may be taken on.
The learned counsel B. Latif files a statement of objections and synopsis in the matter. Same is taken on record. List the matter on 27th at 2:30 PM. 7 is 2:30 to 27th ಹಾಕೋಣ. Yes. Balkrishna.
7.
This is a matter, my lord, where in the previous date of hearing, Lord, my learned SPP, my lord, made a statement that CDR is present to show that there is a corroboration. But till now, my lord, they have not placed any materials on record, my lord, to show that there is a corroboration.
NDPS.
No, my lord.
Cattle.
Cattle. Cow Slaughter Act. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord, page number 136 for a moment. In 136, my lord, there is a PF. My lord, all the recoveries, my lord, has been made by the, only from accused number 4 and 5. I am, my lord, accused number 1 and 2. Not even a, my lord, single material has been recovered from accused number 1 and 2. And no,
Yes. List the matter on 7th September.
my lord, yes, there is no interim order, my lord.
No, no, sir.
My lord, there is no corroboration, my lord. They have not placed any materials, my lord, to show
Material
that.
ಕೊಡ್ಲ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ
Please, my lord, there is a-
ಕೊರಾಬರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
No, my lord.
Yes, no, sir. Next.
Appearing for petitioner, my lord. Offense is 493, 406, 420. ಅಲ್ಲ.
493, 406, 420.
406, 420. 493. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವ ಕಾಪಿ ಇದು?
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲೋಡ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Counsel for the petitioner to serve set of papers upon the counsel
For R2.
Halima Amin appearing for the second respondent complainant. Interim order ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆ.
The allegation against the petitioner in CC 15791 of 2025 are the offences punishable under section 493, 406 and 420. The allegation is that allegation is of cheating. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner and the respondent have been in love for about 4 years and had certain transactions as well during the said period. Therefore, the complaint is registered on the score that the complainant, the petitioner is due to the complainant of 3 or 5 lakhs, projecting it to become a crime. Therefore, this court had granted an interim order of stay of further proceedings in the said CC on 15/7/2026. The same shall continue till the next date of hearing.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು? Next.
9.
I appear for the petitioner counsel.
Right, we have filed the documents along with the detailed synopsis also.
What's the matters?
My lord, this the complaint between husband and wife who are actually business partners in running a school, which is a pre-primary school. The name and style of Kids Castle. They both are partners. They enter into partnership. The wife is the mother and the son commence the business. Subsequently, the wife was inducted for 51% share. Recently, in the month of November last year, I came to know that she has opened on one more account without my knowledge or consent.
Your wife?
Wife, 51% partner.
Both of your relationship, it's strained now?
Because of this business itself.
Oh, because of another account
Because of
getting opened.
misappropriation of funds, because of siphoning of funds. When I questioned it, she is being supported by the accountant.
This 498 ಏನ ಈಗ?
I lodged, no, yes, my lord. The 498 ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Anyway, they have filed a petition recently and on my complaint, which was lodged and registered.
That is also.
That is stayed by this honorable court.
It's just a counter-blast FIR filed
ಆಯ್ತು,
subsequently.
which is that?
Number, my lord.
Number ಕೊಡಿ.
Ilri.
We'll finish both.
Kindly see, my lord,
498
the number
ಏನ್
is.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
85, he's on, I lodge an FIR on.
Say 85 is 498.
The number.
Basically what he does is 13 ಜನದ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Vulgar language.
ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
Wait, sir.
He hits me in front of 13 people of my staff who's there. The school premises.
Which footage? Where is the footage?
It is with the.
ಆಯ್ತು, that is cruelty. Demand of dowry ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Dowry ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
85 ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Plus they have registered under 85 cruelty. He hits me publicly in front of 13 people. Subsequently, after a month, after filing this petition before the court for quashing of the present FIR, now what he alleges that allegedly he came to know in November of 2025, he files a complaint in June of 2026, subsequent to my FIR, alleging that there is some financial this thing. But as on the date of the whatever is pleaded in the petition, there is no civil proceedings which are ongoing, nothing were ongoing. Only post him physically assaulting the respondent number 2 in front of 30.
ಈಗ what is the allegation?
Please.
Investigation ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
It is still under process.
ಅವರೇ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೇಸು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನಮ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ?
ಏನೇನೋ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಾವೆ ಇದೆ. ಡಿವಿ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ಹಾಕಿ ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. So many litigations.
Wait. Yes. Which is your petition stay ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, Manad, I have given the.
Tag along with so and so Wednesday fresh matters.
Interim order.
Interim order subsisting will continue.
There is no kindly
No,
do
no,
not grant
interim
any
order
interim order.
to be
Wait, sir.
granted.
Simple request.
Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Ilthere that will continue, sir. Yes.
There is no interim order in this present matter, my lords.
If there is interim order, it will continue. If there is no interim order, that will also continue.
In my matter, which your lordship was pleased to pass in
The
WP 20892.
ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್
Connect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Please.
ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ,
ನಮ್ ಕೇಸ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Meantime, because what has happened is they are siphoning off more than 3.5 to 8 crores.
ಈಗ 498 ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಫನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ?
Let them not, they are on the basis of the stay order, they are asking for defreezing.
This is not
Sir,
covered in the question.
Wait, sir, you can't take an order in his case. ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ 85, confine it to that.
That's all I am seeking.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇ? ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೈಫನಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಾವು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು they are moving.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ.
Let them not do all those things.
Wednesday.
Till such time,
No,
because
no.
there is a domestic violence case, there's an arbitration case, there are original suits between the parties. It has gone
subsequent
to
event,
that
my lord.
extent. They
We'll see,
themselves say that the marriage is irretrievably broken,
Sir,
though they are staying in the same house.
If you have not done anything on the next date, we will finish it. Yes. And if you have done something next date, we will definitely finish it. Yes.
More than 17 days, the 20
I mean,
days
not
delay in
technically,
filing
what
the
is the
complaint.
Don't worry, sir.
Thought
17
process
days is
ಮಾಡಿ
not fatal, sir.
I understand, Manad. What
If you
I'm
understand, then we'll take it on
all I'm
Wednesday.
requesting is interim order because
Kodalla,
they are-
sir.
such
Wednesday.
situation is I'm not able to go to my business, attend to the school work, look into the business. I commenced the business.
You're a teacher.
No, I commenced the business of
You're a
running
teacher.
20 schools, Malad, is in
No,
my share.
you're a 20 schools go ಹೋಗಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
20 schools, administration is in one office. I'm not able to go inside.
No, take rest.
Domestic violence case haki injunction ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
In the premises where the
Malad,
schools are
domestic
maintained.
violence case haki injunction
You do one,
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
take rest till Wednesday. Don't attend the school.
Till such time, Malad, let them.
Same take rest. Yes.
Briefly, my lords.
Wednesday.
ಅಲ್ಲ, in the residence also, they have taken an interim order of injunction.
ಮನೆಗ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ
restraining
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
me.
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
only protection order. My lords,
Protection
these are wrong
order
submissions. This
ಅಂತಾರೆ.
is
ಹೆಂಗೆ
misleading
ಅದು?
report.
They are misusing
It's only a
that
protection
order.
order. It's not a
But
residence
I'm in a
order.
very precarious
This is very,
situation.
this
That's why
is
I'm requesting.
heights of misleading the honorable court. It's only a protection order, not a residence order.
Protection from entry, ah?
Yes, Malad.
Not from entry, my lords. ಅವರಿಗೆ
I've got
IA
the
number
order.
2 was the residence order which the honorable MMTC court rejected. Only the protection order insofar as not assaulting her or abusing her was granted.
Malad, kindly see the manner in which they obtained the order. First, the applications are kept in abeyance ಅಂತ
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Why are you,
ಅಲ್ಲ, I'm
why
just
are you
bringing
straining
it-
yourself?
I'm just bringing it to the notice of this court that though the matter was kept in abeyance ಅಂದ್ರೆ advance application ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪುನಃ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Malad, there is no, once notice has to be ordered, no notice is served, ex parte orders ಗೆ the traffic court ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ magistrate court ಅಲ್ಲಿ even without there being notice to the other side.
Ex parte, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ex parte ಗೆನೆ at least when it is the order is passed to keep the IAs in abeyance. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Next matter, please.
Till Wednesday, Malad,
Till Wednesday, next matter, please. Yes.
fresh matters.
Oh, definitely, sir. Fresh matters. Yes.
Successful trap.
Successful trap, ah?
Please.
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ?
ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes. He himself demanded and accepted.
Himself demanded, accepted, recovered from him only.
Please.
ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Sin office.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು. ಸ್ಟೇ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Please.
ಆಯುಧ್ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯುಧ್ ಪೂಜೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ?
Gas distributor who parked the lorry in the roadside. For that he had demanding for 25,000 per month.
ಆಯುಧ್ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ 25,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Government servants have ingenious methods of taking.
And he took his driver to the police station, they detained for a day.
ಏನಿದೆ ಇವರು ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್
Police constable.
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವೇನಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ September 8th. ಎಸ್, ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕಣ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು.
11.
The petitioner, the
ಇದ್ಯಾರು?
appear for the council.
Oh, yes, sir.
He's out of station.
No problem. Tell me, sir.
Petitioner, my lord,
It's
is a
always welcome to appear, not a problem.
22-year-old engineering student who's been made a scapegoat.
But
my
ವಕಾಲತ್
lords,
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, ಹೇಳಿ.
been made a scapegoat, my lords, of a political slugfest. The petitioner, my lords, and some other
What was the political slugfest, sir?
there was an altercation between the two major parties, my lords, and the leader of opposition has met the commissioner of police, insisted upon registration of an FIR and detaining of certain persons. Succumbing to such pressure, my lords, the police have randomly picked up students who are readily available on the streets. There is no overt act, my lords, committed by this petitioner. He had only arrived, my lords, to peacefully protest as against the alleged police brutality in Jantar Mantar at Delhi. And my lords, the opposition party simultaneously on that day, my lords, had launched a protest march from Cantonment railway station to
The main.
next. So great.
Heard the Learned Council. SS. SS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶತಾಬ್ದೇಶ್ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ. Yes.
12.
Lord, it is a simple matrimonial dispute.
Simple matter.
Matrimonial dispute, my lord.
Matrimonial dispute is never simple, sir.
Lord, page number 40, my lord. A notice seeking restitution of conjugal rights is given by the petitioner number 1, my lord.
You are the husband.
Yes, my lord. Husband, in-laws, as well as.
23485. Husband ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, kindly, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲ, restitution notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, reply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No, in that reply notice, there is no such allegation against the husband at all, my lord.
ಅಂತ ಗ್ರೌಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 85 1 2 3 4.
13.
His bail was
Cancellation of
cancelled.
bail.
His bail was cancelled on the ground that, my lord, he has threatened a witness, my lord. On that regard, what
Notice
time, my lord, in that, my lord, in the subsequent crime, my lord, it is charge sheet filed and he has granted bail, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು threatening witnesses?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ bail ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು.
The petitioner is before the court. Dispose ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, ತಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ
ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ. The petitioner is before the court calling in question an order of the concerned court dated 22/4/2026 by which in SC 5015 of 2021 wherein an application filed by the prosecution under subsection 3 of section 483 for cancellation of bail is answered in the favor of the prosecution. The petitioner heard so and so. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime and is drawn as accused number 1 in crime number 35 of 2025 for offences punishable under section 448, 324, 302, 3 and 25 of the Arms Act. He is taken into custody pursuant to said registration of the crime. The concerned court bail yav kotru?
4/8, my lord.
The concerned court grants bail to the petitioner on 4/8/2025. 6 5
2026, my lord.
4 ಮೊನ್ನೆ
ಹೌದು, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೇನ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, my lord.
ಮೇನ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ನಿಷೇಧ್?
Sorry, my lord.
The concerned court grants bail to the petitioner in crime number 35 of 2025 on 4/2/2025. For after the release of the petitioner on grant, after the enlargement of the petitioner on grant of bail, it transpires that the petitioner gets embroiled in another crime on the allegation of threatening of witnesses. On the score that the petitioner has indulged in the second crime for threatening of witnesses after his release from prison, the prosecution files an application subsection 3 of section 483 of BNSS seeking cancellation of bail as one of the conditions that was imposed while grant of bail was that the petitioner should not indulge in any crime or threaten the witnesses. The threatening of the witnesses becomes a crime in crime number?
130 of 25.
Crime number 130 of 2025 and transpires to the coordinate bench allena.
Alla, magistrate court.
The concerned court has granted bail in the said case as well in criminal miscellaneous.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು crime ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Crime number 130 of 25.
In this, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? Second
ಅದು
crime.
tribal by magistrate, my lord. It's a tribal by magistrate. The order copy.
Sorry, yes, so and so. And the
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
crime 130.
ಹೌದು.
In crime 130 of 2025. In the light of the subsequent crime being stayed at the in the light of the concerned court granting bail in the subsequent crime, the only reason for cancellation of bail was that the petitioner has indulged in threatening the witnesses would lose its legs to stand. In that light, the petition deserves to succeed on the score that the petitioner is now out on bail in the subsequent crime and is entitled to continue on bail in the subject crime which was granted earlier. For the aforesaid reasons, the following order, the order date so and so stands quashed. The order granting bail stands restored with the same conditions that were imposed at the time of granting of bail. Next.
14.
7A. The petitioner is A1. But demand is by A2 and trap is with A3.
Manjunath, covered judgment.
But Manjunath, ali, there was a indirect reference to some demands. Here, my lords, I am not even connected to the person who collects money or to the A2. My lord, somebody takes money, my lords, quoting my name. My lord, I cannot be hauled up like this.
This is what we have to answer, but Supreme Court says.
But Supreme Court on the facts of that case, even Rangaya's case, there was an indirect reference.
Oh, Rangayanu ashte.
Rangayadರಲ್ಲಿ, that inspector had given an indication that conversation was
So
there.
it
Here there is
definitely
nothing.
becomes easy for anybody to say, I
Yes,
took
my
it from.
This is a case where this has been done in my absence. Ratri 11 gantege, they come to my house and pick me up.
Why?
After trap proceedings are completed. I am nowhere connected.
You are not even there.
No.
You are not trapped.
No. A2 demands money from complainant, A3 accepts, and the axe has fallen on me.
You serve on Latif. B. Latif is directed. Latif 7 ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. List on 27th. List on 27th at 2:30 PM. Learned Counsel B. Latif is directed to accept notice for the respondent.
Let them not file charge sheet.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Charge sheet if not already filed shall not be filed without the leave of the court. That order in all the cases are granted.
15.
My lord. In this matter, there is no demand, no accept, no recovery of the money also, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು 27. BB Patil notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
My lord, his name is wrongly shown in BB Patil.
The registry to print the name of BB Patil in place of BV Patil. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
BB ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನೆ. ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. 27th objections if any by then the interim order stands section. Interim order ಅಂದ್ರೆ not to file charge sheet. Yes. We continue till the next date of hearing. Then Satish.
7A case, there is no 7A, there is no order of taking cognizance. Matter has to be remitted, my lord.
Sent back.
Not page 99. CEO, my lord, made over to the lord principal. Page 99. My. In the bottom.
Yes, Patil. ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ?
We have to secure the papers, my lord. So
ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but even though my.
It's a short issue. We'll have to send it back if there is no order of cognizance at all.
Peruse the entire prosecution papers ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
So at page number 99, my lord.
99.
99.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
The relief in that parameter.
Where do I get it? 99 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
99 ಅಲ್ಲಿ lord CEO takes cognizance, not the lord
CEO ಏನು?
Chief Administrative Officer.
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
My Lord, have it on Monday, my Lord, will.
List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh matters list.
But matter is posted on Monday for HBC, my lord.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅವತ್ತು ಕಳಿಸುವ. Wednesday will send it. Yes, next.
Recording charge ಅಂತ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಅದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಪಸ್. Yes. If there is no order of cognizance, it could not proceed further.
Yes, there is no.
Mahajan.
In the fresh matters list.
No, sir.
My lords
Yes,
wanted-
Mahajan, ಏನಿದು?
My lords wanted to look at the papers. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, my lords, fresh matters, 108, where I had lent loan.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
And subsequently, projection is that I have demanded more money.
One ನಿಮಿಷ, just moment. ಕೊಡಿ. Sorry.
Death note. Death note.
ಅದೇ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
It's a letter which is written, my lords, but there's no date mentioned in the complaint. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. May just.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. This is ಆರೋಪಿತನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳದ್ ತಪ್ಪ.
ಅದು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, my lords. We just asked for the money to be.
In his death note, as per death note, he has paid all the amount. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೇನು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Heard the learned counsel Mahajan BK appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is accused of offense punishable under section 108 of the BNS stroke 306 of the IPC. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner had lent 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 ತಾನೆ? 3 lakhs.
2 lakhs. As per complaint,
2 lakhs about 3 years ago. 3 years ago would mean 3 years prior to the date of the fatal incident.
2,50,000.
2,50,000. The petitioner went on pestering the deceased yaru? ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lords. ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್?
Mother, my lords. Mother is the complaint.
Yes. They went on pestering the son of the complainant to return back the money. The son getting fed up of this pestering from the hands of the petitioner, it transpires that the son of the complainant dies by committing suicide, allegedly leaving behind a note. The note also is indicative of the fact that about 2 lakhs was already paid. About 50,000 was yet to be paid, for which the petitioner had made the complainant's life, the son of the complainant's life miserable. It is settled principle of law that a financial transaction between the accused and the victim and the financial transaction leading to the frustration or commission of suicide, or even the utterances of words, go and die or give back the money, would not become the ingredients of the offense under section 108 of the BNS stroke 306 of the IPC. This is what is elucidated by the apex court in Yadvinder Singh Yadav versus so and so. the 2025 SSC Online SC, page 2332. In that light, there shall be, in that light, 2332. A perusal at the original documents or the perusal at the papers of investigation is vindicative of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay, so and so, in the light of the judgment of the apex court. Igaki.
Obliged.
Yes, next. Give me those judgments. You make a good compilation. Yes. Yes, sir. Copy ಅವರು ಕೊಡಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Take it on Tuesday, fresh matters. The learned counsel heard the learned senior counsel Murthy Nayak appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel B.S. Prasad files his statement of objections, lists the matter on Tuesday at 4 p.m.
91 notice.
Huh?
91 notice is challenging my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Placed in a very narrow compass. Your lordship has passed a detailed.
Tuesday at 4 p.m. Yes.
Lordship has passed a detailed interim order.
Interim order continues to the next date. Yes.
Great.
19.
As such, my lord, there is no other crime against the petitioner.
As if there is no other crime.
Except, my lord, 195, they filed the charge sheet. My friend has.
As if ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಹೌದು.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ
6 cases, my lords. 1 case, my lord, day before yesterday, my lord, they.
This is good submission.
Senior counsel
As if ನಾನು ಅದೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
6 cases are pending.
98, my lord, engaged D.R. Ravishankar, he is not in station.
As if you are not ready. You are ready.
98, please.
Right. List the matter on 19th at the request of the counsel appearing for the petitioner. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು as if ಅನ್ನೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
20.
Yes. Seven A.
No, Lord, it's how the writ petition is not maintainable. The recommendation made on 12/2 and the.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತದ?
How there is no FIR was not yet registered.
Kindly page number.
ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
15, my lordship.
Page 50. ಏನು?
15, my lordship.
15.
The petitioner is the.
ಇವು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ನೋಟ್ ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದು?
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ನೆಸರಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Police GM ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Not FIR was not yet registered.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದಾ?
Please.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. GM ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ.
No. The inquiry report was submitted. He filed a rejoinder for that.
Conclude ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
My name was wrongly typed. I just gone through his file. No. My spelling there was a mistake. That's why I could not.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ?
I'll see the file.
Sir. The learned counsel B. Latif submits that, seeks a week's time.
Please.
Seeks a week's time to go through the papers and make his submissions. 24th, fresh matters. Our close ಮಾಡೋಣ. There's nothing. Yes.
21.
From the petitioner, my lord, 7A, my lord, bail trap.
Bail trap.
There are 2 times, my
lord, we'll file.
ಎರಡ್ ಸರಿ fail trap.
ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ?
ಎರಡ್ ಸರಿ fail ಆಗಿದೆ.
My counter.
Then he will succeed here.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
Prabhu Shankar case is
file
there.
objection.
Lord, in the last one, Prabhu Shankar case, 100%.
27. Objections if any. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
The charge sheet without the leave of the court shall not be filed if not already filed as on 11/8/2026. Next.
22.
Is that matter pertaining to compounding of the offences. The petitioners are willing to make the necessary payment towards compounding of the offences. The state agrees, my lord, the department.
SP Pure.
Spoken to the department. The lordship directors, my lord,
For the opportunity,
compounding the offense.
they will bring the officer and then compound.
The petitioner will dispose this in.
No, your lordship, keep it.
All
Compound
right,
it
sorry.
here.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners be permitted to compound the offences in terms of law. The learned SPP on instructions would submit that if the application,
No, your lordship can direct to consider, if it
then,
is explore the possibility.
in the light of the issue projected before the court, which and the offences which are compoundable, I deem it appropriate to direct the respondent department to explore the possibilities of permitting compounding of the offences alleged against the petitioner by the next date of hearing. List the matter on 25th.
Tuesday, next week itself.
Huh?
Next week itself we can.
ನಾಲ್ಕೇ ದಿನ ಇರೋದು next week. 21st is a holiday. We'll take it on 25th, madam.
That's interim order.
That will continue.
Great.
The sword of NBW that was stayed shall continue to the next date of hearing.
23.
7, huh?
Please, Your Lordship.
7A.
Please.
Please, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in this matter, even with respect to the number of attempts of traps, the fake traps need not be gone into. The very fact that the complaint on which day it was given and what payment was done, and that would itself suffice. Page 296, Your Lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆಯಾ? 27th will take all
18th
this.
is framing of charges, Your Lordship.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ
Your
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು.
Lordship, in this, Your Lordship, I shall convince, just 2 minutes, Your Lordship. Page 296. Page 296. Your Lordship may kindly see what the PDO has written with respect to his letter. This is for the Khata, Your Lordship. Lordship will see on the side, on the top, he says 1,305 is the due. And he says plus 100 if Your Lordship sees that. At page 296.
296, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your Lordship, on the
Complaint.
No, here the complainant has written asking for the change in name of the Khata.
1,305.
Yes, is the due
Plus
and plus
100.
100, which is the penalty. Lordship may kindly see down what he writes. To be processed as per the Aadhaar card. Reason being there was a name, there was a difficulty in the name of the complainant. So he says process this. Lordship may kindly see the date 10/10/2023. If your Lordship sees page 299 and 300. Those are dates in which he makes the payment.
Complainant.
Please, Your Lordship. Page 299 and 300 if Your Lordship sees. Lordships on the top at page 300 if Your Lordship sees the date 21/10/2023. Your Lordship is a very small, that razor pay, he's made the payment.
All right.
Page 300. 21/10/2023. That is the very same date he's given the complaint and the FIR. Lordship may kindly see page 95.
Of demand of bribe.
Please, Your Lordship. For this 1,000 rupees that he has to pay for his change, and I say to be processed.
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ.
Please.
You are in 2026, 2023, 100 rupees.
My lord, at page number 84, my lord, there is a demand. Minimum 10,000 fix, 5,000 ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
10,000?
Fix, minimum 10,000 fix.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Petitioner, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Page number
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 10,000 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Yes, please.
Page 95, Your Lordship.
95 is given, is it?
Page 95, the very same date, 21/10, he says there's a claim. He's made his payment itself on 21.
One minute, madam. Page 95.
95. Your Lordship sees on the top 21/10/2023. Now he's made his payment itself on the very same date, 21/10.
No, that payment he has made. What does he say here?
He claims that for the change, he says for his brother it was done, for him it is not done. Reason being his brother did not have any name discrepancy. This man, his name did.
All right.
So
This is
all we
one
said is
minute.
payment.
This is the complaint.
Please.
A trap is laid.
Please.
Were you caught red-handed?
No, Your Lordship. They even asked us to match the chemicals.
Nothing.
They tried everything. He refused to touch any of that. So in the end,
Okay,
they
this
put a
7A
few
must be
notes,
answered.
few
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ
notes
misuse
into a
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
file.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Like in the other case I said, misuse.
We'll file our objections, my lord.
You file your objections. The petitioner is, heard the learned senior counsel Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is said to have taken, allegedly taken, demanded a bribe amount of rupees 10,000. The complaint is registered on 21/10/2023. On the same day, the petitioner remits 1,305 plus 100 rupees as penalty for what? Getting what is this?
His Kata name change.
The name change in the khata. The petitioner endorses that as per the Aadhaar card, the application of the petitioner be processed. The petitioner then makes the payment that is necessary through Razor Pay, i.e. 1305 plus 100 on 21/10/20.
Two makes the payment.
Respond number 2 makes the payment on 21 on 10/10.
No, 10/10 is when I have ordered that
On
it's
10/10
processed.
on 21/10/2023, as could be gathered from the documents appended to the petition. On the same day registers the complaint. A trap is laid. The trap has failed as there is no recovery from the hands of the petitioner, nor the chemical analysis, chemical test that would be done at the time of trap was successful. The matter is at the stage of framing of charges. Therefore, the concerned court shall defer its act of framing of charges till the next date. Less the matter on 27th. Yes. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಪ್ರತ್ವೇಶ್? ನಿಮ್ದು ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಾ? ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ?
ನಾಳೆಗಿದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ದು ರಿಕವರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
No recovery, my lord. Section officer.
Phenolphthalein test?
No, section, phone pay, my lord. Section officer demands the
ಫೋನ್
money.
ಪೇನಾ ಇದು?
Section officer demands the money. Money is paid to the associate of the section officer. Allegation against me is I have given the associate's number to the complainant when the complainant requested.
Were you trapped?
No, my lord. No money is put,
recovered from you?
no money recovery, my lord.
Copy not served, my lord.
So, my lord, I have the acknowledgement, my lord. I have filed the acknowledgement also. I will give him a copy right away.
Yes. Same 27th, the concerned court shall defer its act of framing of charge till the next date. Yes.
Please.
25.
A minor son has been dragged into a web of crime who has no connection to this whatsoever. Just like hit and run, my lord, this is a scam and run. Petitioners are father who's a victim actually, and he's minor son, my lords. Respondent number 2, after scamming 30 lakhs, my lords, in order to escape their liability, she randomly files a complaint which does not even contain a date, much less the time and date of the alleged crime, my lords. What is even more startling is this, my lords.
Zero FIR.
Yes, my lords.
Zero FIR registered.
Yes, my lords, zero FIR. My lords.
SPP, you may have to appear in this.
My lords. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾನು 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರನ್.
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟಿಂಗ್.
ನ್ಯೂ ಏಜ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರನ್.
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅ ರಿಕವರಿ ಸೂಟ್. ನಮಗೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ.
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರಿಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. HSR layout ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮನೆ ಇರೋದು, ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲಿಜ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮಡಿವಾಳ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಶಿವಾಜಿನಗರ್. ವೈ? Just because to file a zero FIR, and police help them to register an FIR. This actually is helping the accused to fly away while they are grinding me.
HCGP 2 will not be served anyway. 2 emergent notice put up immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent complainant. Till then the matter need not be put up before the court. There shall be an interim order of stay of.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್?
ಅವರೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ.
ನೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Don't, the respondent state shall not precipitate the matter, these petitioners till the next date of hearing.
It will be
The
stayed.
order is granted, and a blanket stay is not granted in the case at hand, only to nab the complainant who appears to have come from another state and is indulged in such acts, and not to harass or trouble the petitioners. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ, ಸಾಕು.
Great, great.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Any time, my lords, I'll be there because I want her.
The
her
learned
to back.
counsel Chiranjeevi, appearing for the petitioner, undertakes that the petitioners would cooperate in the investigation if it is taken towards nabbing the complainant.
Grateful.
Yes.
That is also great.
ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ.
Till then, my lords, ಮೂರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, my lords.
ಇದೇನಾ 3 police station?
Yes, my lords. HSR layout, the respondent number 2's
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ,
house is in HSR layout.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ?
Shivaji Nagar 0 FIR ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they have helped them to fly away.
The police station you like, I will direct them to contact you.
I don't have any liking to police at all, my lords. It may be stayed.
Yes.
ಜಯನಗರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Cooperate, sir. Yes.
Let them not any harassment ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಯಾರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಿಮ್ನ?
Because stay ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ harassment.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದು.
Great.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವಿನ್ನು? ಓದಿ.
Precipitate, I know, madam.
Then yes.
Orders 26, withdrawal.
In terms of
27.
memo for retirement. RP. Oh, Lulu Lemon.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm yet to appear in front of the committee, my lord. I'm daily follow-up.
Stay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Stay there, but not the pendency, my lord, is causing all these people, my lord, a lot of trouble because they have to disclose, my lord, that.
We'll give you a date.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬುಧವಾರ ಕೊಡಿ, my lord.
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನೀವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿ ಡಾಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾನೇನು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿ?
ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಂಗಳವಾರ
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅವರು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂನೇ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ,
ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Really, the publication was made by, my lord, TV9.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು
That
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
petition is
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
allowed.
Yes.
Only allegation against me, my lord, is that I did not prevent them from, that's the only statement where they have made in para 45 of the complaint. Other than that, my lord, there is no other allegation so far as I'm concerned. So,
There are so many allegations.
and I filed the
8th
affidavit also.
September. Yes, interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
Heard the learned senior counsel. ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
ಎಸ್, my lord. ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬುಧವಾರ ಕೊಡಿ, my lord.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್. ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 2 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
28.
But 7A, charge sheet is filed, not the
ಫೈಲ್ಡ್.
discharge application also dismissed.
ಏನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್?
Successful trap.
We have given notices earlier, my lords. Sina is not keeping, my lords. She's out of station.
Statement of objection.
ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪಾಕೆಟ್.
Lords.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ?
Next week, my lords. Any date. Senior will address the arguments.
Sinaf is also prepared.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
A statement of objection
27th. Yes.
Great. May be taken on record. Objection in Sinaf.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. Learned counsel files a statement of objection, same, it's taken on record. Yes, next.
Great.
29.
In terms of,
30.
what's this, madam?
My lord, recall application of my lord's order.
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು? I reserved something, what is that?
My lord, 30.1, your lordship has resolved, that correction was there, my lord.
30.1 is already reserved.
There, that is reserved. my lord.
This is for recalling, is it?
This is for
The
recall.
IA 3 of 2026, recalling my order,
Please, ma'am.
entire order.
Please, ma'am.
All right.
No objection except for the last paragraph. Madam, I'm filing the. taken
Objections,
time to
sir.
file- objections, sir. Objections ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ.
Written submissions with the
Give a
judgments
copy, sir.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Yes, madam.
Madam, there is one more submission I would like to make, madam. I just pointed, other day my learned friend made a submission that they have paid 10 lakhs, madam. Madam, I just wanted to verify from my client as to how he has not disclosed that. that letter which they had given at that time, now I'm sorry, it's in, just now I received it. What has happened is, warrant was issued. When warrant was issued, his brother-in-law came there, and then he said, I will give the check, my check I will give, and check bela illa anta ಹೇಳಿದ ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 1 crore 90 lakhs ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And they had not complied with the order of this honorable court. 75,000 ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್.
So she knows me. Sometimes ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. And she teaches me Hindi. What has happened is, a warrant was issued after all failures everywhere. Then Millard, his brother-in-law also came with him, and then they said, don't put him in the jail, instead I will give my check. Then 10 lakhs, because he was not willing to accept it, then he paid 10 lakhs cash, and then the check for 1 crore 90 lakhs. Whereas the order of this honorable court is altogether different, where it is said, pay 10 lakhs plus 75,000 plus indemnity bond.
Anyway, we'll consider ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
And now I have, just take.
You finished your submissions, or you want to make now?
My lord, yet to make, my lord, this matter has not been heard yet.
Yes.
My lord, before that, and simultaneously, my lord, I'll
Which
advance
case, ma'am?
30, item 30, 3663.
3663, okay.
3663.
That's the case where my lord was pleased to hold, it is not maintainable.
Oh, that you want recall of that?
Please.
Yes.
My lord, the grounds for recall are twofold, ma'am.
Agilva. Sir.
My lord, before I proceed to argue that matter, my lord, since the contention in 3663, which my lords are adjudicating, item 30, my lord, the contentions in this petition claiming that the order of the coordinate bench of 14th of October 2022 is an order of nullity. That contention was raised before the learned execution court, which rejected my contentions, not on merits, but saying that it cannot be adjudicated upon by that court, lacking competence. That order I have challenged before my lords in 482, saying that it is very well maintainable before the executing court, my lord. Parallelly, since before moving the execution court, I was before the coordinate bench in another recall application filed in the main criminal appeal, in which I have raised entirely similar grounds, same grounds, which were projected before the execution court to say that this is an order of nullity and it is a non-executable order against me. But since both the matter, as the learned senior counsel on that day was pointing out, that the adjudication here in this matter has a substantial bearing on that case as well. So considering that, my lord,
The matter that I have reserved has any bearing to the decision here?
Yes.
Then should I pronounce that first and hear this?
My lord, since it's only to the extent of corrections, my lord, if your lordships deem fit, it can be adjourned or it can be adjudicated
I'll
subsequently.
pronounce that in the next 3-4 days and then hear this.
That also works, my lord. My lord, before that, my lord, I approached the Honorable Chief Justice day before yesterday
For what?
with a request for a special assignment of that criminal appeal matter
Hmm.
to one common bench, my lord, so that there is no difference of opinion or there are no conflicting orders on both the issues simultaneously, because the judicial discipline and judicial propriety demands that there has to be a common adjudication, my lord. The Honorable Chief Justice gave me an audience yesterday evening, and after hearing me, he observed that I can consider your request only after you move the concerned court on the judicial side and you procure an order from the concerned court, placing the matter before me on the administrative side for
All right.
consideration of my
So
request.
should I do that?
My lord, I'm placing a memo for that end, my lord.
Let it come before one court. No problem.
My lord, the request is, shall we give to that side? My lord, the request is that since two orders, that 16395, which is 30.1, my lords have already reserved orders, and this is also a recall matter, my lord. So necessarily.
Recall has to come before me only.
Before you, lordship, my
Yes.
lord. And therefore, I have apprised the Honorable Chief Justice and have specifically requested that let that matter also be posted before this bench, my lord. However, my lord, this honorable court, in my respectful submission, lacks jurisdiction to entertain my request or to adjudicate upon it in light of a 3-judge bench decision and constitution bench decision, which I have placed on record, my lord. That has to necessarily come from the Chief Justice.
No, I cannot do that. Obviously, chief only has to
My
do
lord.
it.
So he, yesterday
So
evening,
we'll pass an order now to place the files before Chief Justice
please, my lord,
for necessary orders
for necessary orders.
in terms of the memo.
In terms of.
Where is the memo?
My lord, the memo is the first page.
First page.
It's a memo or writ petition?
My lord, the copy of the judgment is the next.
Yes.
My lord, the prayer is at page number 3, my lord.
The petitioner has filed a memo, memo whereby the request is made to Honorable the Chief Justice to club all the cases, including ones that are listed today, and post the same before one single bench to avoid conflicting orders. The memo reads as follows. In the light of the said memo, the registry is directed to place the files before the Honorable the Chief Justice for necessary orders on the memo.
May be permitted to file my objections for that.
For the memo,
Not for
Yes,
this.
my
My lord, it
Milord,
is the
they have been
exclusive domain of the
dragging
Chief
the
Justice.
matter.
So what
chief,
can be
chief
done?
will do it.
That's what I said. Because yesterday they met the Honorable Chief Justice, we had no audience.
Milord?
We were not informed.
To-
No, my lord, they don't
Amele,
even-
is a decision being taken on the merit of the
Nobody
matter?
has a say in that, my lord, except the Chief Justice.
should know why such a memo has been filed.
My lord, that I have
You have not
explained.
served a copy, eh?
Just now,
My
my
lord,
lord.
my lord, I
leave it to
have,
court.
now I have
Chief
served.
Justice, what is this? Adukku objection ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what? No,
My lord, how can
There-
there,
now
how
they
can
have,
there be
wait,
an
wait,
objection?
madam. Now the
Well, I leave it to court,
Honorable
I
Chief
don't-
Justice will take a decision or with this way or
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
that way.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ
How
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
are you filing objections to that memo even?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Then it becomes a writ petition, not a memo, and objections to the writ petition. Bandmele, you can, it will not be a Honorable Chief Justice will not hear the matter on the memo. Is only to, the memo is to place it on the administrative side.
There are two good reasons which my lord may agree to. My lord, first is the conflicting opinion, my lord. Secondly, since February, my lord, till today, substantial judicial time has already consumed in this matter, my lord. That's another concern.
Correct,
Secondly, my lord, there is due hardship to the
No,
petitioner
wherever,
also,
if
my
it
lord.
comes here, fine. If it goes elsewhere, fine. It's
My
a
lord, that is
Chief
the
Justice.
exclusive domain of the Chief Justice, my lord. And why I was constrained to file this today, my lord. My lord, I am appearing in this matter pro bono, my lord. And secondly, after
No,
all
we
this,
don't
my lord,
agree on it.
So that's all right.
Let us not say.
Whatever.
my lord, and this is causing financial hardship also to the petitioner every single time have to travel and all those things.
Whatever, madam. That
And
you have
judicial
indicated in the
time, my
memo. You have indicated in the memo. The Honorable Chief Justice will pass an order on the memo.
Please.
If wherever it comes, it will be heard. Yes. Await the decision of the Honorable Chief Justice. Madam, Vidogha.
My lord, may I request for the next date to be fixed on
No,
28th?
if I can't fix a date when I'm sending it to
All
the
is in
Honorable
different
Chief.
My lord, 3663, your lordship may fix. If by that time it comes, well and good. Else, my lord, because my lord, there is a
Which
threat of arrest.
3663 is, it's
That has
recalling,
to
right?
necessarily come before my lord.
3663 will take it on 29th.
29th. My lord, 28th, my lord.
29th is a working Saturday, madam.
My lord, I understand. My lord, I'm here on 29th,
The last
28th, if it
28th.
can be accommodated.
Not during the last week of this month, in the first week of September.
All right.
She has some personal interest.
All right,
in
3rd September. That day itself he had indicated he has some.
Please, my lord.
3rd September.
Please.
My lord, meanwhile, they may not move again. Because
You
my lord,
move
there's-
it, madam. If there is any problem, you move it.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
Is a D-link party. 30.1 D-link, and that order should be passed in 30.1. 30 list on 3rd September.
That order, the memo thing has to be passed in 30. And 30.1 may be de-linked, it is already reserved for orders.
30.1 D-link. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ order ಮಾಡಿ 30 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, madam.
Writ petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have filed that paper.
All right, all right.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Don't.
My lord, regarding that contention which with respect to that 10 lakh payment, my lord, that
Sorry,
was
don't worry.
pursuant to settlement, my lord, settlement is admitted.
I am not on,
That is
I have not recorded
relevant
anything.
here. That is not relevant also.
Yes.
Public.
Either her submission is on record nor my objections.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Public. 31.
30?
31, my lord.
Yes, Gaurav?
NDPS, my lord.
NDPS?
Please. I was
In
submitting-
corroborative material ilva?
But I was submitting on 52A, my lord, and non-compliant.
52.
Please. But I filed a memo, my lord, with the rules, my lord, which are now in force.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Memo dated 29th June, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Please. Let me only point.
ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮೆಮೋ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Lord, one matter, my lord.
The apex court holds it is not mandatory.
Please, my lord, in as much as a right to seek for bail, my lord, for non-compliance. The aspect of how it would vitiate the trial, my lord, in one matter, my lord.
Kodi.
Matter of that only. Copy, Kodi.
Paragraph?
Lord, paragraph number 39, my lord, page 494 of the judgment. The object of the rule, my lord, is held that the inventory which is prepared and submitted before the magistrate, my lord, pursuant to a seizure, would act as the primary evidence in the course of trial, my lord, since the seized contraband
Yes,
is
sir.
destroyed. That's correct, Your Lordship. You see, this is after all these things at paragraph 56.10. This is Bharat Ambala. Your Lordship has seen this yet. Once the foundation factor laid indication of non-compliance of section 52A of NDPS Act, thus honors would therefore be on the prosecution to prove a cognizant evidence either by substantial compliance with the mandate of section 52A of NDPS Act or satisfy the court which non-compliance does not
Substantial
affect.
compliance.
So it's a matter of a trial, my lord. It's not, cannot be done at 482. At this stage, my lord, if I may only point out to the inventory which is prepared. The seizure, my lord, when there is a raid which is conducted, there is one plastic bag. Apart from that, on the person of the accused, my lord, there are 4 packets which are found. These 4 packets, my lord, are not even mentioned in the property form or the inventory. That inventory, my lord, is approved by the magistrate, and the samples, there is nothing to show out of which lot the sample is drawn, my lord.
No, this will require an answer. We'll see.
In fact,
This-
Your Lordship, you see para 50.
Wednesday.
Please.
Wednesday. Yes.
32.
Judgment thoroughly copy.
My lords, appearing for the petitioner, we filed memo for withdrawal, my lords. The state has filed the charge sheet, so we seek liberty to withdraw this and file fresh challenging the charge sheet, my lords.
You are appearing for the petitioner or disappearing for the petitioner?
Appearing for the petitioner, my lords.
Yes. All right.
33.
Charge sheet format.
From respondent to my lord.
33, withdrawal.
Respondent to my.
Memo for withdrawal, sorry. Imnalla, sir. 7A,
33, yes, my lord.
27th.
My lord,
Then successful trap.
serial number 33, my lord. So there is a conflict of interest, my lord. BB Patil name.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾರ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? Okay, registry to delete the name of Baby Patil and print the name of K. Prasanna Shetty is appearing for the
Respondent
Lokayukta.
to S. Shankar appearing.
Sorry?
Respondent number 2.
Registry to print the name of
Shankar
so and so is appearing for second respondent complainant.
Yes.
Yes. Next. 27th, 2:30 PM.
This is another case, my lords, where trap is done to A2, I am A3, I am nowhere in the picture.
27ಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡು.
Not to
Charge
file
sheet.
charge sheet.
Same, JY. Not to file charge sheet. In the event it is not filed, as on, ಯಾವತ್ತು last notice ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು.
Great.
Yes. Objections, if any, by the next date, i.e. 27th.
35.
7A,
Yes. Copy
Tirupati Nayak.
Copy no ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Copy not served.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ will give.
Kodi. The learned counsel for the advocate on record heard the learned senior counsel Prabhuling Navatgi appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel, the advocate on record shall serve complete set of papers upon the counsel B. Latif appearing for the Lokayukta. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Investigation.
Not to, in the event the charge sheet is not filed as on the previous date note, as on that day, the charge sheet shall not be filed without the leave of the court.
36.
Seven A. Supreme Court? Test report. Chief Electrical Inspector, ಎಲ್ಲಿದು? Test reports of what? ಏನ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್? Test report of what, sir? Electrical connection. ನೀವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಡ್ರಾಯರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ? By itself it came.
I have already received the test report for 4/6. That work is complete.
ಇದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್, ಪ್ರೀಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್. ಕೆಲಸ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ has two concepts. One is prepaid, one is postpaid. ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೋಸ್ಟಾ ಪ್ರೀನಾ? ಇದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದು, ಯಾರು ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಯರ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಡ್ರಾಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಹೂ
Work is already done.
We'll see. Heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel B. Latif is directed to accept notice for the Lokayukta. The advocate on record shall serve requisite set of papers upon the counsel representing the Lokayukta. Emergent notice to the complainant returnable by the 27th. Charge sheet, if not filed as on today, shall not be filed without the leave of the court till the next date of hearing. Yes. Charge sheet ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? Charge sheet file ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Non-compliance. What is the non-compliance of council submission? Office objections, 2023 matter. Why, sir? What are the office objections? Learned counsel submits office note. Learned counsel submits that the office objections have been complied with, office to verify. In the event the stand complied, list the matter on 24th. What is pending? Arrest warrant. Ille bandila, you have not gone there also. Valid. The warrant hanging on the head of the petitioner shall remain state till the next date.
38.
Seven A.
70.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? How did you take money? Then who has taken on your behalf?
Accused number 2 has collected on behalf of accused
Then
number 1.
Rangaya straight away covered. The work was to be done by you.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Ilva?
How?
Work was done, was to be done. Work is your power. Correct?
Change of revenue entry 5 lakhs.
ಯಾರನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜಾ? ಆಫೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದು. ದೆನ್
Saint Martha's Hospital's parking place. Put at the DC.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ?
Near to the DC office compound.
ಆಯ್ತು.
He was to be promoted, but just in order to see that, not see harassed, humiliated, not interest was.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ.
On the day of
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾರಾಸ್ಡ್, ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಲಿಯೇಟೆಡ್.
the conversation is recorded.
ಆಯ್ತು.
So far as I'll pass.
27-230. ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. A2 ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು? A2ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರದ?
Yes. Who had accepted the 5 lakhs?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 5 lakhs.
ಹೌದು.
ಓ, ಇದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದು. ನಾಟ್ ಸೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ರಿಕವರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ A2. ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 27th at 2:30 PM.
39.
Thank you, sir. Memo ಇಲ್ಲಿ. In terms of memo.
40.
Correspondent 7 AM. What 7 AM?
Silva madam.
14.
40 lots.
7A.
7 yes, ma'am.
Pratvish. ಅದೇನಾದ್ರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್? ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಪಾಕೆಟಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯರಾ? ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಅದು. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am. We have 5.
27th, yes. Not a case for that also. Yes, next. No, not a case for deferring chewing of charges also. Yes, next. 41 in terms of memo.
42.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Intermot ಇದೆಯಾ? 7A.
7A.
Yes. Latif, objection ಹಾಕಿ 27th.
43.
For petitioner, my lords.
7A.
13 1B, my lords.
13 ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂತಾ?
13 1B, 13 2.
Madam, ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ 13. Tag the petition along with ಅದು seal number 55. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ list on 17th.
HBC charges of frame 20th ಇದೆ, my lords.
17th will pass some order.
Please.
Yes. Monday ಅದೇ 17th. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್? 17th, yes.
Admission. 44.
Lord, filed an application in earlier petition, my lord, 977 of 2020.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ.
Lord, ಒಂದು
ಬರ್ಲಿ.
3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ
ಆ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬೇಡದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು. ಎಸ್,
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
List the matter. We'll hear you again and reserve it then. List the matter on 29th. Yes. Next. 45 withdrawal.
45 withdrawal.
Memo ಹಾಕಿದಾರ ಮೇಡಮ್? 46.
45 ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
46 Balkrishna.
Yes.
For respondent number 2.
Yes, madam.
My lords, this it is complaint filed on 28/12/2024, my lords. The petitioner and the second respondent complainant have been married on 14/1/2010. When she left the house, she has 3 children from the marriage. When she left the house, the eldest son was 9 years.
There's no intermodal in this?
No intermodal, Your Honor. And now
The case and counter case
My
against
lord.
each other.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್?
ನಮ್ದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
all the petitioner are residing in the very same house.
It's not true, my lords. Sister and sister-in-law, brother-in-law also have been impeded in this, my lords. If my lords can see the complaint, my lords, it is very clear. She has only mentioned 14 lakhs, scrap merchant's daughter, scrap.
Who is scrap?
Her father
Father.
is having a small scrap business.
Small
My
scrap
lord-
business?
Yes, small scrap business,
Oh.
small scrap shop. My lords, and here she has also said, even GNWC was filed. Visiting rights were granted to her.
Hmm.
She never visited. She never complied any time. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And here, my lords, till date, nowhere she has stated where the money was taken, when. And she says that my husband is ready to give talak. Till today, he is not married. He is staying with the two sons whom she has left and gone. Today, the child is 15 years and 14 years. She is taken away the 2-year-old daughter. And in her evidence also, she has stated that my husband had taken admission in the most prestigious school, Franz Xavier's, for the daughter. He paid 1 lakh fees. ಅವಾಗ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is her conduct, Your Honor, and at
Yes,
page.
objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The counsel for the respondent is permitted filing, is directed to file statement of objections in the next 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings quay all the petitioners except the husband till the next date of hearing.
My lords, it has been more than 15
Let's
years, my
see.
lord. The
Yeah.
16-year-old wedding.
The interim order,
Harassing, Your Honor.
the
for no
interim
fault.
order in so far as the husband is concerned would be considered after the filing of the statement of objections.
Much obliged.
Yes. Really, ma'am. That's why I have not stayed, so that he will take her, so that he will take her back. Yes. 47. 2 weeks IO. Next.
48.
ನಿಮ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
47 is.
47 ಮೂರ್ ಸರಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
6 ಆಯ್ತು. 47 ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. That matter is entirely.
Interim order ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ?
ಉಂಟು, ಬಟ್ 5 ಸಲ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. Their
ಏನ್
passport
urgency?
is not-
ಏನ್ urgency
passport
ಉಂಟು?
is not being renewed.
We will permit the passport to be renewed. Yes, madam, what is there in the case?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಮ್ಮದೇ
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ನನ್ನದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ತಮ್ಮದು ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನವಾಜ್ ಸಾಬ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ.
379 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There is no complaint for theft. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ನವಾಜ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Somoto complaint by the police. And
ಎರಡು.
beef is not sent for FSL, and then beef dealt by.
ಕವರ್ಡಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್.
ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ.
So it is
ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್.
question. Obliged. ತಾವು ಹೇಳದೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yes.
48.
But in this matter, your lordships will have to decide who is an aggrieved person.
What will I have to decide?
Who is an aggrieved person for the purpose of filing a trap case under 7A?
7A?
Yes, who's an aggrieved? The person who files a complaint has nothing to do with the person who went there to obtain the sanction plan. Please see the statement of objection.
That's a different thing.
Yes.
You are caught with money?
Yes, ma'am.
With your hands?
It's the.
With your hands or pants?
Hands, ma'am. Hand wash has turned pink.
Huh?
Hand wash has turned pink. The hand wash test.
ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ? ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
Not, there is an entire, not, please see the statement of objections filed by the respondent number 3. There is no authorization given to file a complaint. A third party goes and files a complaint.
17 authorization.
No,
To
not
file
70.
a FIR ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
File an FIR. Third person goes and lodges an FIR who has nothing to do with the work that was pending there. He says he never given any authorization to go and collect the certificate. There was a building plan that had to be taken.
But you are trapped.
No, if somebody just comes and
Comes and gives, I'll take it.
But that's why your lordship will have to decide, can any third person go and file a complaint?
Sir, leave alone third person, fourth, fifth. Why did you take?
Not just please see the statement of objections.
Belze
filed by
will
respondent
answer
number
it.
three.
Who is an aggrieved person? Objection ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Respondent
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
Respondent number 3, so. Respondent 3, respondent 2 is not come. Respondent 2 is the informant. Respondent 3 in a statement of objections has said that I don't know respondent number 2 who is the informant.
Why did you make him a party?
Because it was his work which was pending and he is now coming and saying that there was no work pending at all.
Oh, you won over him also. Paklame on 27th.
Yes.
Heard the learned counsel Angad Kamath appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on 27th. We'll decide.
Yes.
Yes.
49.
59, my lord. Given NOC long back, my lord.
Long back.
So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು NOC ವಕಾಲತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು NOC ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾರು? ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಿ ಲರ್ನಡ್ ಚೇತನ್ ಜಾಧವ್.
ಚೇತನ್ ಜಾಧವ್, my lord.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ದಿ learned counsel Chetan Jadhav submits NOC to engage any other counsel was rendered long ago. Learned counsel submits that he has entered appearance in place of the petitioner registry to print the name of so and so. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the parties to the list have settled the dispute before the MC in the mediation in MC so and so. In the light of the settlement arrived at between the parties, which also covers same format, Jevai. Yes, next.
Please, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಡನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನಾ? ಆಯ್ತು.
50.
I appear for the petitioner in 50, my lord.
7A?
7A, my lord.
Successful trap.
Successful,
Not according to me, my lord. The money is not recovered from me, number one.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
Only the right hand has turned pink, the left hand has not turned
ಎರಡು
pink.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
I mean, in fact, if I have to count the money, my lord, I have to use both hands.
You should take money for both the hands.
Both. In fact, if I have to count the money, how else will I do it, my lord? And the amount is 20,000.
Counting machine ilva?
20,000 is the.
20,000.
What will
He
I?
directly kept
What
it in
will
the
I?
pocket. He did not have a time to count
It
it.
is recovered from a
Suddenly
cupboard.
Cupboard pant?
No, not pant, cupboard. And the work was not even pending for me. I'm not even the authorized officer to either give permission or do anything with respect
What
to that
cadre?
work. Inspector, my lord, traffic police.
Traffic police. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಇವರು?
The gas pipeline ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
Exactly what I'm
ರೋಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್
submitting.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ you have to stop it the work ಅಂತೆ. They are
Gas
demanding
gas
from the
line ಆ?
contractor. Person who undertaken the work.
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು BBMP ಕೆಲಸ.
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಅದರ if you continue
That-
the
that's
work.
my job,
5,000
madam.
rupees ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? On the road?
No, in the police station.
Station ಅಲ್ಲ.
Inside the cabin, she told him to come near the toilet.
She, my lord.
The toilet area, she had collected the amount.
Toilet area?
Yes.
It's recovered from the cupboard, my lord.
ಈ
Only one.
CCTV footage ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಡಿ, ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು.
That also, my lord, I'll point out. Now, complainant A2 and A3's voice, there's a procedure that voice trap master that they do. They're supposed to record the voice 6 times. For complainant A2 and A3, they record it 6 times. For me, they don't even do it. Only once they're like, okay, she must be the one.
We already prepared the charge sheet, we have sent it for.
Don't.
Charge sheet be
We are not
prepared,
filed,
my lord,
we are
because it's an
waiting
interim
for
order.
the PSO.
Keep it with you. Yes. List them. Heard the learned counsel Srimati Kirti Reddy appearing for the petitioner and Latif. List the matter on 27th at 2:30 p.m. Charge sheet, if not filed as on.
It's already an interim order, same, my lord.
Same idea.
Please.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, 27, 2:30.
Obliged.
51.
But that promise to marry, consensual relationship since 3 years. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
Are you laughing?
ಪ್ರೀ BNS ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Pre BNS. Oh, that father ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದಾ ಇದು?
On that point, Lord, it is covered.
On that point, what is covered?
That consensual relationship cannot result.
Pre BNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, consensual relationship ನಲ್ಲೇ they cannot allege.
What cannot urge?
ಇದು ಒಂದು promise to marry was not an offense then.
So?
That cannot be invoked now. Lord.
Post facto.
Post facto. Next post facto.
Last of the incidents is in BNS.
ಇಲ್ಲ. The last of the incidents is Natus Hospital, Sarjapur on 17th March 2024.
March 2025.
24.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ರಿ, ನೀರು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಮಹೇಶ್.
ಅದ
ಹರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್
ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು
ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುವ. List the heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on 27th. Avat muksuva. Or barli bidli muksu. Awaiting the appearance of Mahesh. List the matter so and so. Fresh matter.
Please.
Next week in the only fresh matters.
Please.
Because in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks is ashtu.
Please.
ಏನ ಅವಿನಾಶ್?
7A charge sheet.
ಇವ್ರದಾ?
Discharge application pending ಇದೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್.
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇವರು ಬೇರೊಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಯಾರು 7A ಇದು? ರಿಕವರಿ ಯಾರಿಂದ?
5,000 ಇವರಿಂದ.
5,000 ಇವರಿಂದನಾ?
Total 7,000 is the
demand.
Huh?
Total 7,000 is the demand. Initially, he had A1 had accepted and handed over to the 5,000 to the petitioner.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ.
FIR
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್
ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
A2. ಆದ್ರೆ A2 ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವರು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು.
ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ an order in your case. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ
CDR ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
CDR ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ? CDR ಇಂದ ವಾಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ CDR?
ಅವರು FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ CDR ಇಂದ you said you will get to know something. What did you get?
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಫ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ CDR ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Not confusing.
ಯಾವ ಕೇಡರ್ ನೀವು?
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿ.
ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್.
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿ. ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I will consider it. 27.
Self issued the notice to the petty shop owner to pay the GST. And he is the signatory to that notice.
Notice ಕೊಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
But he accompanied the accused number 1 while issuing the notice. He don't know who is the person who came along with the another person.
ಕೇಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡೂ ನಂದಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು FSL ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
FSL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ
ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ FSL.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Actually, my lord, as along with the accused number 1, he is accompanied while issuing the notice. In the notice, his name is indicating. Therefore,
that becomes Latif sir. That becomes 7A. That becomes demand and acceptance.
He was accompanied along with the
accused number 1. ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು?
The conversation is of another accused number 1.
You recovered from whom, sir?
From him. The amount was recovered.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 130.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂತು ಆಚೆ?
ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅವರು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲಿಂದ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ನಾನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಂದು ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
to be said about these 7A cases, sir.
The kindly see the conversation.
The left, right, center, you're registering crimes on this.
No,
ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, gone. That's why I'm segregating wherever recovery is done from the hands of the petitioners. ಯಾರೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ difficult.
The penicillin
become easy for everybody now to allege ನಾನು ಕೊಡಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಆ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಬ್ರನ್ನ, FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಬ್ರನ್ನ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So Latif ಅವರೇ, wherever there is direct recovery from the accused,
we'll segregate
ಅಲ್ಲ
that.
from the accused and the phenolphthalein test has turned positive and there is work pending avala, that's not an issue now, that cannot be gone into. But ಇದು ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, otherwise ಅದಿದ್ರೆ straight away dismiss ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Some cases demand by one accused, acceptance by another officer.
For what purpose?
The work is pending with another person who did not accept
Some
it.
case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ
See,
ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
and there are about 20-25 cases where you have tried to trap 4 times. ಅಂತದೆಲ್ಲ 7 ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, you tell me.
Those cases,
Those cases should straight away go.
the failed traps.
We'll see. We'll segregate it and ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
But the
230
case as such,
No, see, if somebody has taken it, will not spare. And even in 13, I told you, if there is some sort of P and there is something variance, that we will stay, will not interfere. All that I've told you. We'll see, we'll take it on 27th at 2:30. 27th at 2:30. On synopsis ತರ ಹಾಕಿ.
List of dates.
List of dates. Plus ನೀವು ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವತ್ತು 27ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡುವ. 2:30 at 27th. ಇದೇನು?
53.
Hegde sir.
7A, but our information is PSO has been rejected. So
then
with that background, my lords may kindly dispose of the matter with a liberty. In
Liberty
case
to
if
approach.
there is a PSO, I will challenge it.
Please, Lordship.
The petitioner is before the court calling in questions notes. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the sanction to prosecute has been rejected.
Well, appears to have been rejected.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that sanction to prosecute, learned counsel on instructions and information would submit that the sanction to prosecute has now been turned down by the state. In that event, in the light of the said circumstance or information, the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks leave of this court to withdraw the petition and reproach this court in the event the information is in the event the said information is erroneous and any action is taken against the petitioner.
Please.
Reserving such liberty, the petition stands disposed.
Please.
54(7)A, my lord, recovery is from, my lord, the petition number 2, 5,000. My lord, the petition number 2 from 5,000 has been received, recovery. My lord, petition number 1 yadu illa. On the other hand, my lord, these 2 petitioner are bill collector. As per the resolution of the Gram Panchayat, my lord,
Bill collector,
bill collector, as per the resolution, my lord, I have collected, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 95 ಜನ beneficiary, my lord, the allotment has been made by Indra Awas, ಇದು ಏನು ಯೋಜನೆ ಒಳಗೆ 5,000 ಯಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೈಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಿಡ ಕಿತ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Bill collector alva.
Bill collector. As per the resolution.
You have collected bills.
Allah, as per the resolution of the Gram Panchayat itself, my lord, power has been given to collect all, my lord, the beneficiary of 5,000.
No, then.
Allah, idrolage 2025 ಇಂದ I have moved the matter, my lord. Now, my lord.
ಏನ್ charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, ಇಲ್ಲ, charge sheet ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
This the matter on 27th, objections if any by then. Charge, no stay. Charge sheet if not filed to, as on date shall not be filed till the next date of.
Allah, as per the Gram Panchayat resolution, I am collecting.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಟರ್ವಿ ನಿಂತ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Please, ಮಾಡ at least.
55.
My lordship, 7, 13(1)D, my lordship.
13 ಯಾಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂತು?
Again, sir.
List
petition number 2 has issued the allegation 2 is issued the
list on 17th along with connected matters. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ, my lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, A1 has not issued the money, my lordship. A2 has.
7 ಏನೋ 13 sir?
Both, my lordship, 7 and 13(1)D.
7 and 13. I will see Monday. Yes, next.
56.
7A, 27th.
57.
ಇದೇನು ಸಂತೋಷ್?
Filing of the charge sheet, my lord, I am questioning the proceedings, my lord. On the ground, my lord, the SC/ST provisions are not at all attracted. That's one point, my lord. Secondly, there was a scuffle where the police have registered the complaint against both the complainant herein and the respondent number 2, that was closed by imposing fine. My lord, he has paid the fine also. The respondent number 2 was also accused therein. Now, after one day, my lord, he goes and files this complaint at Annexure C, my lord, and invokes the SC/ST provisions. Both are law students, my lord, the petitioner and the respondent number 2. There was a scuffle between them in respect of, my lord, the betting. Kabaddi ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೆದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ. One of the friend was having that money.
Law students ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವರು ಆತರ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್, my lord.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇದು ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್. Now, what was a friendly relationship has suddenly turned into, my lord, a vengeance between the two friends, my lord.
Become friends again.
Again, they are friends now, but he has not withdrawn the complaint. Now, charge sheet is filed, my lord. I'm only asking for stay of the.
Only stay. Quashing ಬೇಡವಾ?
Quashing ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. They have not come.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice.
Already notice is served.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಓನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
Simple in
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆ, simple in nature.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸ್ಕಫಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
2025 ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್ವ್? ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್.
Please, great. Deeply obliged.
58.
7A.
13.
ಮಂಡೇ.
59.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Correct ಆಗಿ.
ಹೆಗಡೆ ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
2 times. 2 times.
No money taken?
Money was offered and he refused. That was.
You refused?
Yes, that was informed to the police. Then the police said we will abandon him.
Allah, you have refused?
Yes.
What sir, honest government servant no ನೀವು 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Our name may be deleted, my lord. Rabati sir is there.
Yeah, yes sir.
Not in
He has
telephone.
refused money.
In telephone conversation, ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
50,000 ಅಂತ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನು ಚೀಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು 7A ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ದುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? Yes sir.
Telephone conversation is also there, my lord.
We'll see. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
27th. Charge sheet, if not filed as on date, shall not be filed by till the next, without the leave of the court. Objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Registry to delete the name of BB Patil as appearing for the respondent and print the name of Venkatesh Arbatti.
Please.
60.
ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್, 7A.
7A objection file.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್.
ಇವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ.
27th ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸರ್ 27th, yes.
61.
58 also, sir. 27. 58 also, 27.
58?
27.
27th.
ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ sir, 13 ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 13 13 7
7 and 13 ಅಂತಿದೆ. I am 8 2.
Then we'll take it on Monday, 17th. Yes. ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ 58 ತನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನೀವು. Yes.
ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ 13 ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 7 ಅಂತಿದೆ.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬರಲಿ.
61.
7A, my lords. Third party acceptance.
27th ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Not to file. ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಜಬೈ. Yes, next.
62.
Not 62, my lord. 7A.
Only acceptance by this petition.
No, there is no demand per se, my lord.
Why did you accept?
On behalf of the inspector.
ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟ, ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು. ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಕವರ್ಡ್. Let's see. 27th.
A1's petition is pending. 3736 bar.
Tag the petition along with
3736 bar 26.
3736 bar 26. List the matter on 27th. Yes. 230, same. Manjunath?
7A, my lord.
7A.
She is a public prosecutor. The amount was found on the table.
There is demand and
Yeah.
accept.
Please, there is not even demand, my lord. If my
Demand and
lord
acceptance
peruses,
both is there.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು
ಯಾವಾಗಿನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದು?
2025
recent.
28/10/2025. ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೆರ್ನೆಡ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 27 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್, ಎಸ್.
Please,
On 27/2/30.
please.
64.
7A, my lord. Failed trap.
Failed trap.
Failed trap.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಬೈ 27/2/30.
65.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್
Charge sheet.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
Will file our objections. my lord.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, my lord. Will.
ನೀವ್ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ?
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈಲ್
ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವಾಗಲೇ
List on 27 same. Objections if any by the next date.
66.
7A gives the lord.
7A?
7B and C, my lord.
27th.
Yes.
27th. Objections if any by the. Prasanna Kumar.
7.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 2 ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
At ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? No. Will direct the court to conclude the proceedings.
Next submission, ಏನಾಯ್ತು I withdraw.
ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, 27th 2:30. ಅದು ಅವತ್ತು ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, he will himself do it, don't. ಅದೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
68.
Withdrawal memo file ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
In terms of.
69.
7A, my lords. Failed trap, my lords. Acceptance by, not by me, my lords. I was at my home, my lords.
27/2:30.
My lords, charge sheet shall not be.
Same.
My lord, there was an intim order stating for defer of proceedings, my lord, for physical appearance of this person, my lord.
That also will continue. Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
70.
Here was a petitioner. Regard to invalid check yesterday
Responded.
submissions.
Oh, yesterday's matter.
Yes.
Non-CTC ಇದಲ್ಲ? Yes. Heard reserved.
71.
This matter, my lord, trap failed, my lord.
Failed trap. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the counsel B. Latif. List the matter on 27/2:30. Same order. Charge sheet not filed.
Matter.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, next.
72.
ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ನೋಡ್. He had accepted 5
Acceptance. ಸಾಕು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ?
5 lakhs.
5.
Evidence indicates, little indicates, ದುಡ್ಡು ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೇ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ.
ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇತ್ತು.
IO, the trap laying party asked me to touch the note, take it and then hand it over.
Why did you touch?
Cash was found inside the car.
That's how the paper.
Inside the car. ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Inside the car ದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಟೀಪಾಯ್ ಕೇಸ್.
ಟೀಪಾಯ್. Yes. ಕಷ್ಟ. ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 27th. Next.
73.
This is the matter, Miller, sir.
ED.
ED, Miller, earlier it was heard at length.
Predicate ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Predicate also we have challenged, Miller, it's not yet listed.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಧು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Objections ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ.
We are filing objections in this.
ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. Tag the petition along with so and so. List them both on 25th in the fresh matters list. Objections if any by the respondent Madhu and Rao by then. Yes, next.
74.
7A.
Failed.
15,000 they are saying. It is not received by the petitioner. It is to a person.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
27/2:30. Objections if any by then by the respondent BV Patil. Next.
65.
Angad, what's this?
This is that matter, Rajya Sabha matter, my lord, your lordships had adjourned, reserved.
ಏನು Sunil Kumar?
The vacating stay.
Sunil Kumar ಯಾರು?
Not the allegation is that certain.
ಈ Sunil Kumar.
They taken hand summons on.
No,
them.
that I know. Facts I know.
State has also filed vacating stay.
State vacating stay ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
They served, the police had served it on us.
All right, list this matter on Wednesday, 19th in the fresh matters list. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing, heard Angat Kamath. Yes, next.
76.
7A, 20, charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, my lord.
Not to file, so and so. 230, 27th, next. 78 odena? 77.
27
7A.
for the petitioners. Trap, not successful trap. But only thing was, on a lighter note, when I saw this file, generally we come up with all sorts of legal maxims. The only maxim that came to my mind was Ayo Papa. That's all. Because 35 years,
Jurisdiction ilvalla illi.
35 years he's been serving as a government doctor. 2,000 rupees for some discharge.
But why did he take?
Sometimes what happens in these smaller villages, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. But anyway, beyond that, what has happened now? In fact, charges also, it was posted for framing of charges also.
Anyway, we'll see. 20, heard the learned senior counsel Vikram Huligol appearing for the petitioner. List on 27th at 2:30.
Good.
78.
7A case, Lord.
20, charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Same order. Next.
IA, stake.
Same order. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ, not to file charge sheet. Yes.
79.
Petition.
7A.
Yes, please, Lord.
ಲತೀಫ್, BB Patil delete ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Fix date for trial.
Charge frame ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, my lords.
Then?
There's an interim order, my lord, saying that.
Then interim order.
Saying
Who
that
gave interim
not
order?
to file a charge.
ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ order. Charge sheet have not.
ಆಗಿದೆ, date fix ಆಗಿದೆ trial.
Charge sheet,
See
the
the order section,
interim order not to file charge sheet will not hold good if it is.
May be taken up on.
List the matter on 27th at 2:30. The learned counsel B. Latif submits that long before the grant of an order not to file the charge sheet had already been filed and trial, the date for trial was also fixed. In that light, the said order stands recalled. List the matter on 27th at 2:30 p.m.
80.
Idan Latif,
Successful trap.
andre
The PDO had accepted the 1,20,000 to change of khata.
accepted. Yes. List on ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
This with this.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Who will come forward for a trap if you don't? I have written a judgment yesterday that in all cases immediately after the trap is over and the currency is kept as PF there for the purpose of trial, the state will release all the trap money to all the complainants. ಅವ್ರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮನಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆಗೆ. Yesterday's judgment, yes. Purnima had argued. No, this is.
If they come forward.
No, that is. Complaint. Nobody will come forward if your money gets stuck like this. Yes.
81.
81, respond 7A.
7A.
It's demanded acceptance both.
27. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Same order, Jay bhai. Yes.
82.
Same order.
83.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾ ಸರಿ, yes. ಇದೇನು?
No demand.
7A.
7A, my lord. No trap, my lord. Petition filed by accused
Charge
number
sheet
attempt
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
to be allowed. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. But it's
Tag,
covered by order.
tag along with so and so. Same order, yes. 84.
84.
Yes, Shilpa madam.
So 7A, wherein my lords, it is how the successful trap has been shown, my lord, this is the best example. Wherein my lords, in a pre-trap, they have instructed, if he demands, then only has to hand over. But in the trap Mahazar, my lords, there is not a single word whispered saying that he has demanded or accepted, my lords.
So without demand, he was given.
Even shadow witness, my lords, not said anything, and he complainant himself sent him to accompanying with him, my lords. That is what my case is, my lords. It is a clear cut, my lord, sure to,
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll see.
my lords.
20 charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Sorry,
I
same order.
For stay, my lords.
27th, 2:30 PM. They will not file the charge sheet without the leave of the court. Yes.
Much.
Next.
85.
Yes, Shivana. ಏನಿದು?
118, on the last date, my lords, your lordships had directed the state to place the investigating material on record.
ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Pre-existing civil
Petitioner's
dispute.
presence is very much there in the CCTV camera. your lordship.
118.
118,
Hmm.
no injury. Pre-existing civil dispute, my lords, has led to a verbal altercation. Verbal altercation, my lords, has led to a registration of a fake case and fake counter case. My lords, the
You have also registered a crime,
it's
right?
fake.
You also, have you not?
I have not. They also have not. The Panchayat Development Office has installed a CCTV camera, my lords, that would capture the entire incident. If there's even a semblance of the allegations that is put forth, my lords, I'm at your lordship's hands. I have a memo.
ಕೊಡಿ. Investigation has not collected that?
It is, the CCTV footage is only with the road, your lordship.
No,
Once
no.
they enter the premises, we have not secured anything. your
A
lordship.
portion of the house and three major roads, my lords, all at a junction, is captured in the CCTV camera. And the altercation happens there. There's the allegation.
Nothing has happened?
Their verbal altercation happening.
No, not
the public
blows.
is gathering. No blows.
No blow versus blow?
No, man, no, man. No injury. They say clubs were used, no clubs.
Where is the
There's no
CCTV? ಯಾಕೆ
material
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ
at all.
ಅದನ್ನ?
There are
Transcript
time.
ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes. I have a pen drive, my lords, that would. But the Honorable
Look
Supreme
into
Court,
it,
my lords, in Sajjal Bose would say, this court, my lords, is entitled to look at unimpeachable material.
I have no doubt about my power at all. So don't have to tell it.
In so far as petitioner number 4.
ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
So far as petitioner number 4 is concerned, my lords, he's a local politician. He, my lords, he spends approximately 3 minutes at the place. He arrives in his car, gets down, he instructs the people, my lords, to disperse. He instructs all parties not to air their dirty laundry.
He is drawn
in
as
public.
accused.
He gets back into his car and leaves. And they say the allegation is he got his momentary presence, my lords, is used to falsely implicate him. They say clubs are used, ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If there's even a semblance of the allegation, my lords, I'm at a loss.
List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. The learned SPP to look into the CCTV footage of the place or the scene of crime, which the learned counsel for the petitioner describes as nothing has happened. It was only a story that is cooked up for the purpose of wreaking vengeance or as a counterblast to what?
Counterblast. They both
Wreaking
of them
vengeance
have
against these petitioners of an impending hostility.
civil.
List the matter on Wednesday. Further investigation shall remain state till the next date. Yes.
So grateful.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ. CCTV ಇದು. ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ವೇಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
86.
69, my lord.
ನೀವೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿನ 69 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರ ಒಂದೊಂದು?
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, my lord, the lordship directed.
See that my
look
husband and
into
wife.
that.
Yes, SP per.
The allegation against the wife, my lord, they have made extortion. That's the only thing. By having private images of the complainant with the accused number 1. Money has been extracted. May I show some of-
69 we will stay, not the other offenses. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
There, my lord, 308.
ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. IT Act I am not going. 69 ಒಂದೇ I will stay. Because they are consensual acts.
I will, ನಿನ್ನೆ, my lord,
Custody ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
custody direction, release ಗೆ order ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes, SP per. He is in custody for what offense? 69 obviously.
ಅಲ್ಲ extortion ಇದೆ.
Extortion from wife. On page number 57 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, my lord, serial number 3, A2 ಆರೋಪಿತೆಯು ನೊಂದ ಮಹಿಳೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಗಂಡನನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಮದುವೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದಲ್ಲದೆ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಒಪ್ಪದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತನ್ನ ಗಂಡನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ wife is not in custody. 69 husband is in custody. Because of that 69. So we will let him out and continue the investigation against both. The petitioner is petitioner's accused number 1 and 2 na obrena.
One, obre.
The petitioner accused is before the court calling in question the registration of a crime in crime number 185 of 2026 registered for several offences. The offences are as follows. Another?
Photographs in both the mobile phone to
69 we will release him, but investigation let it continue. Yes, I am not going to stay any other offence. The petitioner accused number 1 is said to have had physical relationship for over 2 years with the second respondent complainant. The second respondent, the petitioner, is already married and had, she is also married?
Illa.
Already married, which fact the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the complainant very well knew. Even very well knew, but the relationship continued for over 2 years, and on several grievances, be it transaction of money, or the allegation of extortion, or the allegations that the petitioner or the allegation that the petitioner has threatened the complainant, or the wife of the petitioner has threatened the complainant, the crime is registered. The crime, the gravest offence in the crime is section 69, for which the petitioner is now in custody. The complaint itself indicates that the petitioner and the complainant were in consensual relationship for 2 years. Therefore, they said, and the complainant knew that the petitioner was married. Therefore, there can be no question of having consensual relationship for 2 years on the promise of marriage and its breach. In the light of the said circumstance, in the light of said circumstance, there shall be an interim order of stay only insofar as the offence under section 69 is concerned. Insofar as the other offences, there is abundant material against both the husband and the wife with regard to the offences of extortion, intimidation, and section 66E and 67A of the Information Technology Act. Therefore, the investigation shall continue qua those offences, as the petitioner is now into custody for offence punishable under section 69, and the same has been stayed. The corollary would be release of the petitioner from the release of the accused number 1 from prison. The one from prison. The registry is directed to communicate this order to the prison authorities to enable release of the petitioner. It is needless to observe that the petitioner and the accused number 2 would cooperate with the investigating agency for the purpose of investigation. Petitioners ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಅದು released from prison on grant of interim bail on the following conditions.
with surety.
ಎಲ್ಲ on the following, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಬರೀ 69 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. On the bail conditions ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, next.
And delivery.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Hearing on IA 87.
Appear for the respondent, my lord. In this case, investigation completed, my lords. We'll produce the draft charge sheet before the central
Draft sheet
court.
is not
Kindly have it next week.
ಏನಿದು?
7A, my lord.
7A, your lordship.
27th, yes. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್?
Yes.
ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆದು. ಎಸ್.
Have I put in?
88.
ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
88, my lords. Advocate is the petitioner, my lords. Solitary allegation. He showed a property.
Showed a?
Property, my lords. Apart from that, there is no allegation. The property.
What property?
Lords, the site. The site, my lords, papers of the sites have been further fabricated is the allegation. No monetary gain, my lords.
Your accused number?
7, my lords.
Your mail ಏನಿದೆ madam?
One line, that's all.
Proxy counsel, my lord.
Proxy counsel.
Appear for R2, I may be directed to survey copy. Last, now I file the Okalat, my lord.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent.
Already filed appellate.
Already, learned counsel so and so submits that is entered appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so for the respondent. List after 2 weeks. Objections, if any, interim or subsisting, would continue to the next date of hearing.
He has to take up prosecutor
Copy
exam.
maybe.
my lord.
Huh?
He has to take up a prosecutor exam.
Oh, ಇದು judicial exam ಇದೆನಾ?
He had to prosecutor exam.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ objection?
1 week.
One.
Please.
He's fair. Yes. List the matter on 25th. Objection in the fresh matters list. Objections, if any, by then.
Obliged.
Yes. Next.
89.
This was heard and posted for dictating orders.
Ida.
Lordship may
7A
kindly
na?
say- My lord, this is CCTV footage which I relied upon the.
Oh,
letters.
correct. Yes.
Dictating it
ಆಯ್ತು dictating orders ಗೆ dictating orders ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ.
in that category, if lordships.
In that category only will dictating orders ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದೇ category.
I think there is no.
List on 25th for dictating orders. Yes.
Interim order may be.
Interim order will continue. 90.
7A, my lord.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ, my lord.
27, 230.
There is no demand on it.
ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಮಾಂಡೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
Respondent, my lord.
Amazon seller
My lord, sir,
Further
for the
objection,
petitioner.
I may be permitted to file, my lord.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
There is an
Both
interim.
state and by me, my lord.
ಮೇಡಮ್
Vacating state.
ಅದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 file statement of objections. Oh, this is that book. Ravi Belagere.
79 ಮೇಲೆ, section 79 ಮೇಲೆ, senior has argued the
My lord.
matter, my lord.
ಈ ಪೆಹಲೆ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ.
Mr. Sandesh Chowda has been engaged in this matter, my lords. He has short accommodation may be given. He will argue the matter, my lords.
ಇದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
This is further objection.
for list on 19th in fresh matters.
Much obliged.
Grateful.
Next.
92.
My lords, it's a Saturday matter, my lords. My lords, there's no recovery in this case, my lords.
But
He has
so
been
far as
exonerated.
A1 is concerned, there is a recovery.
A1 ಯಾರು? ರಜತ?
Yes.
A1 is.
A1 ಇವರಾ? ನೀವು A2 ನಾ?
I'm for
I-
18.
In the
Rajat,
FIR, I'm A1, my lords, in the.
Rajat
as
is
well as the
A1.
Final report.
20
From him
27, 230.
This case, my lord, already charge sheet is filed and A2 has filed a discharge application, it is pending.
27, 230.
Interim order.
Interim order. Not to file charge.
Not to-
That
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ to defer.
Already charge sheet ಆಗಿ
My lords, not.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು
discharge application file ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. File ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Not by me, my lords. My discharge, not by me.
anyway, whatever. The orders
A2
subsisting will continue to the next date of.
Much.
Yes, next.
93.
7A,
7A, lordship.
5,000.
charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
27, 230.
94.
ಆಗಿದೆ. PW1, my lord, complainant has turned hostile and exonerated in DE.
ಆಯ್ತು. Exonerated and D. Same day ಹಾಕಿರನ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. 27, 230. This will take it, we have to hear it separately.
Please.
95.
It'll interim order continue.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Please, please.
Yes.
After charge sheet filed, lordship. 7B, lordship.
7A,
7B, lordship.
7.
There is no demand from my side, lordship. Are you?
charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ, lordship.
23rd,
Ready, my lord, I'll file it.
27th.
Interim order.
Criminal reading 96.
Gautam, ಏನ್ 7A? 27th, yes.
97.
Same order, same day,
98.
same,
99.
same.
100.
99 ಏನು? same. charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
70.
charge sheet. charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Then I am not sure of the interim order. Yes.
Interim order.
Not granted. Yes, next.
My lords, may I request for the
You
interim
can't be
order to
unsure
be
and come to the court. You should be sure of what you know.
accepted. My lords, charge sheet, as per my knowledge, it is not filed.
Rare
my lords.
CC na crime ನೋಡಿ madam. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Charge sheet is challenge.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes. 27, 230 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes.
Interim order may be.
ಏನ್ entry ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
There is an entry.
Not to file charge sheet.
Yes.
Charge sheet ಆಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, stay of the proceedings ಇದೆ.
ಯಾರು
Lord, on the ground that Lord,
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Lord, sanction is by an incompetent authority.
ಸರಿ, yes. Same day ಬರ್ಲಿ. 7A.
7A, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Therefore,
230. Yes.
interim order may be.
Whatever is there continues. Next.
100,
Charge sheet is filed.
Same 27th, same order.
101,
Iದೇನ್ ಸತೀಶ್?
Lord, this is also charge sheet.
Same.
7A.
Same.
102,
7.
Charge sheet is.
Yes.
103,
Parvati sir?
Charge sheet.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yes.
104,
Same.
105,
Same.
106,
1-5 ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್. There is no trap. Complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
But ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ objection ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, my lord, I'll file.
Yeah, why sir?
File objection, my lord, I'll
Really
file
good.
it on 27.
No trap at all.
No trap.
ಆಯ್ತು. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is no trap at all in the case at hand. The ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಅದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
The complaint is registered, but the complaint is not taken forward at all. But allegation of 7A has appears to have sprung from thin air. In that light, charge sheet ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
In that light, all charge sheet shall not be filed without the leave of the court. ಇದು reason ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ next time ಮುಗ್ಸಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Objections if any by the next date. Yes, next.
106,
That's 106, there's no interim order, my lords, no.
There is no interim order.
Last time, your lordship has observed that if they don't file their objections, the interim order will be
Lord,
granted as per
we'll
for-
file it, my lord.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, please.
In the course of the day.
That's
27th.
Not to file charge sheet.
That order, even if they don't file, I'll get.
ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಅದು ಮಾಡುವ. Yes.
My lords, sir, there are 3 more matters, 7 itself, my lords, 27th that may be.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ 3 matter ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
7 please, my lords.
Yes. 107.
107,
Yes.
At the time of trap, the petitioner was not at the place of.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ?
Yes, he has come to the place after the incident and.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ?
Recovery is from some third party.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
There is no demand also. From
27th, same order. Yes.
Not to file.
Same order.
108, reporting settlement.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ. 10:30 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಲ್ಲ? 10:30 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್.
Dictating order.
ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇವತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Further hearing.
We'll do it another day.
Here for the respondent in this matter.
For the hearing. Madhu?
In submission, that 112 lordship. On the last date of occasion, my lords have directed them to do that FIR. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Filing the final report, my lord. Final report along with the.
Dictating orders ಇರೋದಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು sir. Filing the final report along with the CCTV footage, my lord, if your lordship may.
Final
What
report,
final
there was a
report?
stay.
Please. Stay on the, I'm filing the final report of the forensic audit, my lord.
No, there was stay.
Forensic audit.
Forensic audit, my lord.
I'll get another.
ಅದರದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Dictating I'll do it.
Like last time, my lords had directed them to file an FIR. They did not do it.
ಓ, ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ SPP ಅವರೇ? ಮಧು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಇವ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ I spoke to the investigation officer. He says that since there is a stay, is a case and counter case ಅಂತ stay ಇದೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. There is an interim order operating in the case at hand. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has also registered a complaint against the complainants. Therefore,
which has not been
complainants which has not been taken to its peripheral conclusion by registering a crime against the complainants. The learned SPP was directed to secure instructions. The instructions the learned SPP has secured is that in the light of the interim order subsisting in the case at hand, And the issue being case and a counter case, they have not registered. Therefore, the pendency of this petition or the interim order subsisting will not come in the way of the investigating of the officer in charge of the police station to take appropriate action on the complaint so registered by the petitioner. ಅದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎರಡು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Memo and.
It is registered, you come. I will quash both and send.
My lord, my final report and
For all.
CCTV footage, that is the principal allegation, my lord, that we have barged in and taken away all the laptops, whereas he's seen leaving with the laptop, my lord. I have
Don't worry,
CCTV
sir.
footage.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಫಾಲ್ಸೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಫಾಲ್ಸೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗೋ ಕ್ಲಾಶಸ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು.
My lord, this may be taken on record, my lord.
Huh?
But the memo may be taken on record.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll see. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
List on 25th.
Obliged.
Yes.
Further hearing,
Mohan Kumar.
114,
That's 100. Plus 113.
Release the matter from the status of being part heard. Hits music.
115,
Same order. Post the matter in admission. Same. 116. ಅದು CRP.
116,
Casablanca. Yes, ಇದು list this matter on 19th at 4 p.m. Yes, next.
117,
Hello, the appeal for the petition.
What is this?
This is that writ
Gig
petition
workers?
that had been.
What is this?
117 is the writ petition that had been transferred from the Delhi High Court.
Oh, this is that Competition Commission.
My lord.
This is the one that is left out.
The one.
Should we wait till I pass an order in that?
My lord.
Then we'll post it after 4 weeks.
My lord. My lord,
Because no written arguments are coming into the chamber. Even now, 2 days back, written arguments are filed. When do I start? Yes. Then ಅದು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. In competition, they are giving written arguments. That's what. Yes.
My
Well,
lord, the interim order.
that will continue, sir. ಅದು 4 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು on date ಕೊಡಿ. We'll post it on a particular Friday. Madam, 18th September.
My lord, the attorney general is also locked.
The learned attorney is here.
Yes, I'm here at your.
Yes, sir.
at your
Attorney,
call.
sir.
Yes,
I'll pronounce that and then take this.
I thought so. That will be an
So
order.
should we take it on 18th
18 September, is it?
September or even later? Who knows? Because
be.
written arguments are still coming into the file.
Oh,
Even yesterday they have filed.
Oh, I see.
They have not completed that itself still.
Oh. Instead of 18, could be probably the week thereafter, subject to
Yes,
the court.
sir. Week thereafter is a holiday, I guess, to the court. Then the intervening vacations. Anyway, we'll take it on 30th, sir.
Very well. We'll, I,
30th,
if there is any
30th
problem, we'll,
September.
yes.
List the matter on September the 30th. Interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
Gig workers. Deposit
We
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
only, on this side, we only expect that the judgment will obviate the necessity of the hearing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am grateful to Lord.
Yes, sir.
The deposits are made.
Some money?
No, all.
All. Yes.
No, not all the petitioners who have deposited. Someone else wants to deposit. To another application to implead, my lord, has come. We are filing that application. Lordship may allow that application implead as a petitioner because otherwise, another petition will be filed.
Respondent here. State.
State has not filed objection still. Center has filed objection.
Let them.
We filed objection.
All the impleading applications for the reasons indicated in the affidavit so and so allowed.
No, your lordship said you'll allow them as interveners. In so
My
far
lord-
as IA number 6 is concerned.
Oh, this Maitri Krishnan Hakira.
My lord, IA number 5 and IA number 8, IA number 5 is a central trade union, my lord. It's not a question of workers being, my lord, just heard in the matter. They are affected by every decision that is made. They will have to be implemented as respondents in this matter.
They all are entitled to intervene.
No, we'll hear everyone. I'll hear you also, whether it is necessary or not at the time when I want to pass an order, I'll consider. I'll hear you, don't worry. Yes.
My lord, I may be then permitted to file my statement of objections.
You
because
file anything, sir.
They can file.
You file anything.
It's a constitutional
All of
validity
you,
issue. It's
whoever
not
have filed impleading applications, you please file whatever you want. All right? Yes.
only one.
So just because the constitutional validity is being challenged, it doesn't mean to
Sorry?
say that the union is not a necessary party. I'm unable to understand that submission.
Clifton, one moment. Yes.
I'm saying state has not yet filed a counter.
It has to file. Yes.
One request is IA number 6 is to implead as a petitioner. That your lordship may allow, because
Petitioner implead ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ sir? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು petition ಹಾಕಿ.
instead of filing another
Exceptional
petition with all
circumstances ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
same identical issues, another
File another petition. Impleading the petitioner. Of course, exceptional circumstances we can permit.
Because unnecessarily another petition, your lordships have to again issue notice to everybody. So anyway, the IAMI is already before the
Let it
court.
be. Don't worry. Yes. Let the impleading application be.
They also want an interim order. That's
Interim order ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ interim order we'll also deposit ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
You want to deposit? Deposit, yes. The impleading application, the petitioner has filed an application seeking to implead as the next petitioner, petition number 6. Petition number 7. The allowing of the application or otherwise will be considered on the next date. However, the counsel for the learned senior counsel appearing appearing for the impleading applicant would submit that the petitioner also is wanting to deposit or comply with the orders passed by this court on an earlier occasion. In that light, the deposit be made by the 7th respondent and interim order subsisting qua the other 6 petitioners would become applicable to the petition number 7 as well. Yes, next is
Next my lord is only to fix a
the
date.
learned state. The state seeks 2 weeks.
State is not.
State has not filed its objections, most important.
They were to file on 31st of July, your lordship fixed it on today.
29th, I'm going to fix it.
Wait.
That's a working Saturday. Absolutely not audible, madam.
Come.
I think she needs a mic, but we don't.
Nandkumar ಬೇಕೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, madam.
My lord, sir, are other matters that have been directed to be connected with this matter? Those are not listed. I'm
Please
filing a
give.
memo.
Yes. Tag along with so and so. List them all on 29th at 2:30 p.m. Objections, if any, by the state by then. The interveners also are permitted to file their objections or documents as the case would be. The interim order subsisting in the form that it is subsisting shall stand extended till the next date of hearing.
My lord, one aspect would have to be
Learned
considered.
senior counsel appearing for the parties would submit that in terms of the order dated so and so, the deposits have been made before this court. Deposits have been made before this court. The submission is placed on record. Amele make it by.
One submission, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, insofar as the applications, why we are seeking for impleadment is because if we are aggrieved, hopefully we won't be aggrieved by
No, sir.
charge.
Tomorrow, if you are aggrieved, you will need to file an appeal. You need to be a party for that. Otherwise, you'll have to seek permission and then file an appeal. I will not put you to that. On the day I am passing an order, I will pass an order. See, in case I am going to reject it.
Please, my lord.
All right. Reject its lock, stock and barrel. You need not to come in at all.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದ್
Either way, my lord, because I'll have to defend this as well. My interests.
Nobody.
Exactly.
No, my lord.
That's precisely why I have not let him in. Yes.
Would your lordships not fix a date for the filing or the counter by the state?
29th, sir. Oh, Allah, sorry. The counter be filed. Counter of the state be filed by the 25th and by serving an advance copy upon the respondent. Rejoinder, if any, to the said counter be filed by the petitioners by the next date of hearing. By 29th, list on 29th at 2:30. In agli andre ಮಾಡೋಣ.
No, great. Apply.
Great.
119.
230.
ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಏನಿದು?
Complaint, counter complaint. My complaint, they filed a B report, my lord. And their complaint constituted meaningless. A landlord tenant dispute.
Stay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Stay in this. Lordship may kindly have this matter in urgently disposal. Third petitioner is the student.
September first week.
August. Third petition is the student want to pursue the higher studies in abroad.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
Passport is not
28th,
published. 28th of this month.
28th this month.
Top of the listeners.
9:30ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
Sorry, I can understand your lordship.
Yes, sir.
28th.
120 ಏನು ಮೇಡಮ್? 120 ಹನುಮಂತ ರಾಯಡಿ.
230.
Number 120.
ಅದೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋಣ.
It is a matter, my lord. They are asking that we have not seized all the items. CCTV footage was, they have given the videos. We have seen the videos. We have the same
27th,
videos.
list on 27th, yes.
Further hearing 121.
ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಯಾಕಿದು?
Yes, it was reserved, my lords.
ಹೌದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
1.1, that's 121.1.
ಹಾ.
Appellant has moved that he wants to, now has filed an IA for suspension of conviction.
Conviction, why?
Director has
He's a private.
holding the meetings. The chairman.
He is a private person.
No,
but he
sir,
wants to
that I will not. I only stated the conviction in so far as an MLA or MP is concerned for him to participate in the assembly. Your case alle. That is not applicable to you. Yes.
They filed objection.
List the matter after 2 weeks ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Reserved, all matters reserved.
Reserved ತಾನೆ, correct. The matters were reserved for orders. The petitioner in 121.1 has moved the matter on the score that the conviction also must be stayed in the light of such order being passed in an identical matter. The said application deserves to be rejected on the score that the petitioner is projecting himself to be a chairman and wants to participate in the meetings, private meetings of it. No, sir, nothing doing. Yes. Therefore, the IA so and so stands rejected. Astral ನಿಮಗೆ judgment ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Next.
Order list number 3.
ಮಾಡೇ ಬೇಡ. Yes.
My lords, with due respect.
List number 3 is.
My lords, with due respect, if my lords may permit, my lords.
Dismissed.
Number 2.
Food safety. The most important today. Yes. Dismissed. There are some directions I have given.
Yes.
Yes.
230, end of the list matters. Fresh matters, till number 1. Murali D.
Section 8 and 12 of POCSO Act, my lord. The alleged incident never taken place, my lord.
How do you tell?
My lord, there is a victim statement, my lord.
Victim statement ಏನು ಆಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
Yes, my lord. I
Where?
have used the additional document along with my memo, my lord, in page number 119, my lord.
What is the stage now?
My lord, for framing of charge, my lord. Here I read as accused number 2, my lord. She has a love affair with the accused number 1, my lord.
Love affair?
Love affair with the accused number 1 for past 3 years, my lord.
Accused number?
Accused number 1,
ರಾಜಶೇಖರ.
he is accused number 2, my lord.
ಲವ್ ಅಫೇರ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Another person, my lord. I have produced the document along with my memo, my lord. Wherein in page number 119, my lord, the victim was
We'll take
17
it
years,
on
9 months, my lord.
Tuesday, fresh matters. The concerned court shall defer the framing of charges till the next date. Yes. Learned HCGP is directed to accept. Copy ಕೊಡಿ ಈಗಲೇ. Yes.
Till number 2.
ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Plus, this is the matter, my lords, the school teacher, my lords. The allegation against him, my lords, the MLC ticket ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ has
MLC ticket.
MLC ticket.
School teacher ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ?
That is the allegation, my lords. I have not taken the single rupees, my lords.
1.5 ಕೋಟಿ.
It is taken by accused number 2 and 3, my lord. And my lords, this FIR is arising out of the PCR, my lords.
Sting operation.
The sting operation by the private TV channel, my lords. And my lords, the entire the private complaint has been filed after lapse of 2 years, my lords. The entire transaction took place as per the complainant.
Sting operation ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದು?
Sting operation subsequently, my lords. Sting operation ನಮ್ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, my lords. ನಾವಲ್ಲ, my lords. ನಮ್ಮೇಲ್ sting operation. ಒಂದು ವಿಜಯ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್
ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂಡ್ my lords, the police has closed the complaint. Kindly similar page
ಈಗ
number.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 1:30?
Yesterday we moved the matter for bail, my lords. The trial court, in spite of the bringing to the knowledge of this sessions court, has rejected my anticipatory bail, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಶಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದು. So what?
Because my lords, latest judgment of the Supreme Court, my lords, if it is a cases arising out of the private complaint, my lords, whether under 202 or under 156(3.
ಇದು PCR?
PCR, my lords. Monetary transaction case, my lords. The police has issued the endorsement to that effect.
Yes. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು MLC ಮಾಡಕ್ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
Sting operation.
Huh?
On state, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, coercive. The witness list on Thursday next, 19th, fresh matters. The respondent, the state, the police shall not take any coercive steps against the petitioners. That's ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Teacher, my lords, he is going daily, my lords, is going to school, my lords.
Which subject?
Kannada.
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes, yes.
Admission seal number 3, Shri Ravi Kumar MB.
ಯಾರು? Oh, settlement ಇದೆ. All right, yes, settlement. ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Dharwad bench.
ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Reporting settlement seal number 4.
Petitioner. 379 is the offense. A1 to A3 ಲೋಕದಳದಲ್ಲಿ compound ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Split up against A4. A4.
Yes.
Order sheet signatures.
Sir, next. Applicant is present. You have to tell.
Iva.
Serial number 5.
Seal number 5.
Varun Joshi.
Varun Joshi.
My lord, 278, my lord, is a non-cognizable. Fine of 500 rupees. Settled, my lord. They have not met a company also as a party.
Who is he? ಅಲ್ಲ, on the VC.
We do not know. Okay.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
Settlement.
Offense ಏನು?
278, my lord. Making atmosphere noxious.
Yes.
Order sheet.
Heard so and so ಅಂತ ವೆಪನ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ. Yes. ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಕೊಡಿ.
Abhina guess.
Accused in a 138 complaint. But complainant examines himself over 25 different dates of hearing. It's kept for his cross-examination. Is cross-examined on 3 different dates of hearing. Finally, does not tender himself. And on 23/8/25, on account of his absence, cross-examination, further cross is taken as nil. Thereafter, I am examined as accused. I am cross-examined in full. Now he wants to make an application
ತುಂಬಾ
for
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
recall.
ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು.
That's right. In fact, against him, there is another complaint, my lord, filed.
No, there are few other cases
Yes,
pending.
that has been stayed by your lordships.
ಕೊಡಿ, numbers ಕೊಡಿ.
I've mentioned it in my,
The moment I saw this name, I got.
I'm grateful.
Yes.
Para 24 of the petition, it's mentioned.
Give me the.
But and the only, I'll just, my lord, I'll tender it. It's criminal petition number, my lord, is
Give me the numbers.
8087. I'll, my lord, pass on a slip. The reason he gives is that the documents were in a suit. Suit was dismissed for non-prosecution in 2022.
It's all right. Numbers ಕೊಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. Heard the learned senior counsel C.K. Nandakumar appearing for the petitioner. Who is on the VC? You're appearing, is it?
I don't know. I thought my learned friend was there for the pronouncement matter. I'm not sure.
Oh, no.
ಅವ್ರು ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರು. Yes. Pronouncement ಎಲ್ಲ is local. Yes. As a petitioner to serve on the council who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service by the 19th, list the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. There should be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner to the next date of hearing.
24th ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ 25th.
25th, fine. ಇದು numbers ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ interim order ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Yes. Tag along with sounds. Next. ಧಾರವಾಡದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
My lords, with due respect.
Yes, sir.
My lords, I am appearing in item number 111 of cause list 2. It was fixed for pronouncement, my lords. On the last occasion, my lords.
111 pronouncement.
Yes, my lords.
Where is pronouncement 111, sir? It's dictating orders, sir, not pronouncement.
Yeah, dictating order. My lords, on the
Yes.
last occasions, my lord, the main petition 8267. Navroz matter was not argued, my lords. Only 2 points I need to mention, my lords. If my
No
lords may
problem.
permit.
I posted it on 29. That day you tell me.
Obliged, my lords.
Yes.
Obliged. Much obliged.
Withdraw
My
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
lords, humble submission, my lords.
Wait, madam.
ಮೆಮೊ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು?
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಗೃಹ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮೈಲಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಗೃಹ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಸರ್? ಯಾವತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ?
11th of this month ಮೈಲಾಡ್.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೈಲಾಡ್. ಎಸ್.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿಯಾ? ಇರಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೈಲಾಡ್ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೈಲಾಡ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
On submission, my lord. Your lordship passed an order.
ಧಾರವಾಡ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Your lordship.
Wait sir.
Your lordship passed an order on 14.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
On writ petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಿ?
On 14 to.
ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವುದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord. So far with the direction to send all the documents back to trial court.
ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ 24 ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಫೈಲ್. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಂತೆ.
ನೋಡು.
ರಿಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Then you have to complain there madam.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾವೊಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ನೋ ಮಿಲಾಟ್ 24 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ₹1 ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಜೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಜೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡುವ.
serial number 100
My lords, leave my lords.
Taking of orders.
29th sir. Yes.
With my lords, leave.
Lordship, I have a humble submission. Lordship, if I may.
After humility ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ?
Your Lordship, item number 115 of cause list 2. I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
After that?
I seek for an adjournment. There's an interim order which may kindly be.
ಧಾರವಾಡದೇನು?
My lords, 113.
They filed the being spoken, my lord. As far as.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು?
They have not served the copies also, my lord, in that.
The petition, the respondent KBJNL to serve. The petitioner KBJNL to serve the copies of the application upon the council representing the respondents in all these cases. List on ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 7 September ಅಲ್ಲ 11th ಹಾಕಿ 11th ಬೇಡ 10th ಹಾಕಿ.
With my lords, leave item 113, my lords, in list 2.
ಏನು ಅಜಯ್?
Can I request my lords? I am making unreasonable.
29th.